Gents, how the fuck are we doing, man? I'm just gonna shoot these links in, boys. I'm gonna shut the fuck up and just send the links in first thing. So I always do this, and I was going on a little tangent, and we sort of end up talking for ages, like what we're sort of doing now. Okay, good. Okay, nice, we're done. We've sent a link in, Pat. Boys, how are we doing, man? All I can say is, what a fucking morning. Really. That's all I could really say, to put it bluntly, to put it as short and as blunt as possible. It's gone fucking amazingly. Right, you know exactly what song we're starting the stream off with. You know exactly what song. Boys, all I'm going to say is we're going to be top 10 in the world right now. That's all I'm going to say. We're about to hit another 5% trade. It's going to put us about 30% right now for the month, for the week, for the last 3 days, 4 days. But we'll let that run. EU again today, perfect. We got out at a perfect place as well. Now we're seeing price sort of reverse, which, like I sort of said this morning, kind of makes sense because we do have those BOE rates. So it kind of does make sense, right? So it kind of does make sense. Jed, what we saying, my broski? How we doing, man? Solanke, what's good? Vish, Flash? I said Flash, Fletch, what we saying, bro? Sophia, what we saying? Pascal, what we saying? Kai, what's good, man? Henry, what's good? Phil, what's good? Yes, Josh, what we saying, bro? You're still in this. Nice. It's running nicely. It run nicely, but where was your TP, Josh? Where was your TP? Like what I said this morning, Josh. Like what I've already said, this market is risk off, and the risk off story is definitely stronger than the Bank of England holding rates and Euro holding rates. I guess it sort of depends if we get a bit more hawkishness. I mean, I don't think anyone's in GU, right? I don't think GU just didn't really have anything. DTO it had, you just didn't have Asian liquidity. Sat in Newcastle having breakfast now, little side quest. Nice, man. Nice. I had a banging little breakfast this morning, man. Banging little breakfast. Put us in TP, lads. That's 5%. That's not even 5% for the day. I think we already hit 3% today. I'm pretty sure we're already up about 3%. This TP is right about 31%. Surely we're top. Surely we're top like 5, isn't it? Surely. Or we might be top 3, you know. Fuck knows, I haven't even seen the leaderboard in a bit. Full English for me, nice, man, nice. I had a steak and and 3 eggs, that's what I had this morning. 3 poached eggs and they, I actually can't remember what steak it was. I'm really sorry, I don't know what the steak it was. But on real day, boys, yeah, the Euro today's been perfect. Again, the shorts and the EU, stop fucking missing out. And stop not knowing the bias. I mean, I'm mainly in sort of the macro perspective. I'm still bullish EU, still am. But right now, the market is risk off, and this is why it's key to understand fundamentals, because this is These are the times when you're going to be looking at the market at the right time. Because again, not everything's based off the macro. We should also be looking at headline news, which is essentially telling us now risk off, which is favouring the dollar. So the shorts on EU is good. The shorts on stocks are good. This is why I've been shorting the DAX for the past 3 days. I made about fucking 30%. We're about to hit TP on another 5%. The market's a risk off. Boom, we hit TP. We're like fucking... Let's fucking go, boys. We're 31% up this week on futures. The Leap Challenge. We must be at least top 5, bro. We gotta be at least top 5. Bro, that puts us 4th, you man. That puts us fucking 4th, you man. Shut up, bro. Let's go, man. Let's fucking continue. Let's actually go, bro. Let's actually fucking go. Let's wait for the leaderboard. I want to see my name on that 4th place, bro. I don't want all you man to go on the trading view and screenshot that shit. That's hard. I don't even fucking trade this market, brother. Been an amazing week. Oh, bro, the week's been insane, mate. I'll be honest, this week has been insane. And this is what I always say to people, man. This is why you don't overtrade in shit markets, because I promise you, there is a week, there is a month that you're going to catch the sweetest fucking buyers and just run with the same buyers, easy sweeps. ALG plays out like a fucking treat, like it has done. You get those times, but those times you need to obviously analyse the market in order to actually realise when them times are coming and when they're not. And when they're not to fucking jump in every single day. But in these type of weeks, you jump in every single fucking day. Every day. DAX played out fucking unbelievably. EU played out unbelievably. This is about 3R as well. We're up on that 200. I can't show you the challenge. I'm going to show it on the YouTube. Boys, if you're on the TikTok, right? Go join on the YouTube, because I'm going to show the meta trader for this 200k account I've been trading for the last 2 days in EU. But this is currently where we're at with the account. That we started trading on yesterday's stream. We're currently up about 12%, 6%, 2% left off passing. So really a 1 to 2. Obviously you're going to have to do like a 1 to 2.1 just to make sure, but... Hey dog, what we saying, broski? How's it going, man? Bro, I had a few bevies next to me, but no, I don't. Oh. Bro, I swear. Oh, mate, I'll leave that downstairs. Oh, bro. I do that every time. I always leave some shit downstairs. Let's go, Natty. Come on, broski. Hope you're well. I'm good, man. You know me, brother. Oh, that's hot. Whoa! Oh, it's nothing worse than having a cinched tongue, is there? Right, let's see if there's the leaderboard actually switched now. But what trades are we looking at for New York? I'm still looking really for a continuation of what we've already had. 26, yeah, but now we're fucking 31% up. So show us on that 4th place, bruv. Show me, man. Show me. But I'm gonna show it to my mum type shit. Bro, show me. Okay, why does it take so long to update the leaderboards, bro? That trade closed out about 10 minutes ago. But yeah, we're looking for really continuations. EU's having the rebalance, which is nice. So we're going to look at potential reversals and continuations for that, because again, price could definitely start pushing off this Friday low. It's at a very low point for the week. But at the same time, buyer still sort of tells us we definitely have the favours to continue down. But I mean, we're just going to confirm that within this leg here. This leg is key. So, boys, by the way, if you're on TikTok, man, come jump on YouTube, because it's so hard to show you, man, the shit. Come jump on the YouTube. The YouTube's Richesse effects just up there, man. Hopefully no BE pussies in here today. Yeah, man, you put stop loss break even, you get tested on, boy. You get made love to by the markets, man. And that's the last thing you want. I mean, if that's what you're on. 4-5, we're up about 30 grand, Judy. We're not up 4 grand. Hold us at some form of high acknowledgement. I'm coming. What? What do you even mean by that? Coming where? I need a 2R to pass his phase 2. Yes, fish! Boys, 2026, we're all getting more fundeds. Or if you haven't got a funded yet, you're getting a funded. But in 2026, this is the year of growth, man. Many man last year got funded. It's the year of expanding fundings, boys. Even for myself, bro. Even for myself. Appreciate you, Jay, my broski. Being fourth when you don't even trade futures is actually insane. I know, bro. It's crazy work, isn't it? It's actually crazy work. But again, just fundamentally knowing the market, bro. That's I've been trading purely based. I mean, you've seen me. No stop loss, no TP, nothing. I place a trade, whether a price is overbought, oversold on a prior day, and whether it's actually aligning with buyers. Like this morning, I got in the sells quite early this morning, and I got in sells from early this morning. This point here, and then bought again. Got them out here, and then I bought. And then I didn't really want to be in the buyers because I didn't want to be in this position here, so I got out. But then price did come up anyway. And then I sell limit here that I'd placed. And I didn't even know I had this placed, man. This is when I was working out and walking the dog and shit. And I come back and I jumped on some guys live, some JTL guys, quite a sweet guy to be fair. And he was looking at DAX. And bro, I saw DAX was all the way down. I was thinking, bruv, look back at my chart, we're fucking 3 grand up, bruv. And then we just see that shit straight to TP. Imagine holding that. Could have got like 10 half of that. I mean, I only want externals. We've been trading this very, very well. All my second payout, Joshua. This is. I don't even want to say this is your year, bro. This is your month. This is your month to get that next payout, bro. I promise you that. Did you get anything today, Josh? Boys, what are we getting today? Let me know what we all got into, man. I'm gonna just chuck an orange down my throat, if you know what I'm saying. Bro, I find these oranges quite annoying, you know, because I'm one of those guys that takes all the white bits off, yeah? But I'm also the guy to eat it all in one anyway. So it's so fucking annoying to eat. It takes so long to pick it all off and then just fucking over it down. Secondly, what an absolute banger. That's what I'm thinking about on DAX, bro. Are you buyers soon? Is that what you're looking for? Are you buyers? You have a video on volume profile. Which do you use? I use SVP. The session volume profile, which normally does it on sort of a daily bias with volume. But fixed range is great as well. Fixed range again, I'll use on a leg. But when I'm more looking for like sort of reactional prices for the day, I would more look at the session volume profile because it gives you a lot more information about yesterday's volume, which is lovely. Price normally loves to distribute away from high volume areas and then retrace back up. If you want to learn more about that, do go on the YouTube, boys. Bitcoin's at 69k. Yo, man. Honestly, bro. Crazy shit. I mean, bro, I couldn't give a fuck. If I'm being so honest with you, I actually don't give a shit. Thank God. In fact, you know what? Fuck everyone who trades crypto. Fuck crypto traders, man. In all due respect. Well, kind of sort of contradicting myself, but yeah, fuck crypto trading, man. Don't do it. Trade regulated markets, lads. How many pairs you trade? I trade 2 pairs. Well, I trade 3 pairs, but honestly, EG I've kind of left for the past 6 months now. But I trade Euro USD and GBP USD. They are my 2 absolute fucking children, bro. I'm gonna name my kids Euro USD and GBP USD. I swear to God. I actually might, you know. That's not even about show. Or GU and EU. Oh yeah, I'm gonna name my kids GU and EU. I don't think the wife won't have a problem with that. To be fair, I'm sure her mouth will be fucking shut when we're living in the Bahamas. EU and GU. How the fuck with that? That's it, time to level the fuck up, that's it, man. That is it, broski. That is literally it. EU shorts Tuesday, Wednesday, and today been lovely. Fucking lovely, man! Mate, we're eating like kings, you, man. This week has been tasty. This is the week of the week, man. February, man. Much better than Jan. I feel like in Jan, the reason why Jan wasn't so great, I feel like because there wasn't a massive bias with price. It looked like all central banks were holding rates, so we didn't really have sort of a move off that. We didn't really have anything on Kevin Walsh, so we weren't really bullish dollar. But that bullish dollar is nice because this short-term bullish dollar is exactly what we need for the time being. Obviously, we've been seeing EU long for a very long time. I've been EU short for the last year and a half, something like that. And that's the only trades I was getting in last year, EU bias. But this year it's mainly been EU sells. Mainly because that bias has flipped, which is great. So at least we can take money from that. And I'm sure we're going to see EU back in bias sometime soon. I mean, we'll see, because it looks like the reason why we were so weak on the dollar, because we thought we was going to get lower rates quicker, which would have dumped the dollar, really. But it looks like we probably won't see that with Wash, so we have to reanalyze. But even still, whatever trade we're milking now, we're milking the shit out of it, short term or long term. Right now, it's headline. We'll see if it's a continuous fundamental thing. You wait on Friday 50 for EU more sells, possibly, but that's kind of what I think may happen. Push back to that equilibrium level, and then we see price move on. Are we crashing? I feel like I'm crashing here. Bro, why am I crashing like always? So am I getting pranked or some shit? Someone fucking with me. DXY up or down. HM is the richest family for the month, brother. I missed bare comments. Sorry, boys. I missed bare comments. My bad. I'll go back literally cheap up. But bro, it will go back up literally cheat code. My son's name gonna be XAUUSD. Bro, let's start normalising that, bro. Let's start normalising calling your kid a forex pair, bro, or a commodity pair. I'm gonna name my kid Dax. You actually could name your Ute Dax. Like, that's low-key not as weird. Like Dax. Or DTO. I might name my kid DTO. I get a Asian kid just to call him Asian Liquidity Grab. Let's move back down, man. Let's fucking move back down. Josh, if you put stop loss to break even, do me a favour and get you and your butt plug out of here right now, bro. I hope you fucking didn't, though. I hope you held that shit. I hope you held that shit like a fart. How much is the Richesse family up this month, brother? What, in total of what? Me, Lou, and Stu? I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. Yeah, good. I was going to say, Josh, you're on Trent. There's no way you put stop loss to break even, bro. That would be some weird shit. That wouldn't make sense. Yeah, man. I'm not even too sure what Lou's still up yet so far, bro. We normally have like a talk of how trading went at sort of the end of the month or every other week. But we're literally the first week into our tradings. But it's been brilliant. Signal's been flying, ain't they? Signal's been doing dead last month. Signals was awful last month, bro. Signals was shit. January was not great. One bit was it good. Last trade was good though. I don't think we've had trades yet this month. But January is shit. That's how January is. January wasn't great for me. I think I had, what, 2 trades? One of them was on a challenge, one was on a funded. My son's name will be Dow Jones. I kind of fuck with that. Is your last name Jones, bro? That'd be quite certain if your last name actually is Jones. That'll be lit as shit. But yeah, I kind of want to see how this EU does. But Friday 50 could get tapped. Is a good perspective to have. I feel like that's kind of what main positions would have looked like this morning. That's what I would have placed on my main fundeds if we did end up coming to the Friday 50. Didn't place on the main funded because we didn't. Placed it on challenge because we just took the Asia sweep. But we've been seeing that this week. This week hasn't really been minding where price is. It's been still sweeping Asia high and low. Asia liquidity's been fucking unreal this week. I've been very, very strong. Because we'd be taking a high looking to sell. We've done it for the last 2-3 mornings, isn't it? No? Yeah, last 3 mornings, boys. This is Tuesday. This is Wednesday, I think. Yeah, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, and today's Thursday. And we've done it every morning this week. What about Monday? I don't even actually really remember Monday. Okay, we didn't grab Asia's high. No, we didn't grab Asia's high, but we still had a sell-off. Very weak, very weak week. It's a weird thing to say. It's very weak week for EU. If you get what I'm saying. I kind of don't even get what I'm saying there. I don't, maybe. How do you use the fundamental bear bias? You don't take any ball trades or just want an extra confirmation of ball trades. So, in terms of the macro perspective right now, right, I'm strong. I'm quite strong euro, kind of weak dollar. Short-term perspective right now, I'm bullish dollar, kind of weak euro. Not really weak euro, but more stronger dollar. So I am looking for those shorts. It's way more of a headline move, but right now the only trades I'm looking for are sells until the markets are back to risk on. The markets are currently risk off, which means we're favouring the dollar. The dollar's going to be quite strong throughout this current period. And I've been saying it for the past fucking week, but I said it for this whole week, boys. I said it for this whole week that the dollar's going to be strong. And look at the fucking dollar, man, for the week. Look at the dollar for the week. What has it done? Swear down, go on any one of my streams this week. Go Monday and go on the stream and see what I said. Where was Monday? Monday started here. This is where Monday started, and this is Tuesday. And if you was in the streams, you would have been able to milk EU because of that bullish dollar. Ah, I got the wrong fucking screen again, man. I've got to stop doing that shit. Got to stop doing that shit. And then now that seems you can't really see there. And also DAX. Could have milked the shorts on Euro USD, could have milked the shorts on DAX. A whole week. Perfect bias. And it's exactly what I mean. Like, you can milk this trend for the whole week and have a fucking dreamy week. I've been shorting DAX pretty much every day for the past 4 or 5 days. I think today's the 4th day. And I'm currently up 30% on this. This is on that leap challenge. I should be currently top 4 or top 5 on the leap challenge right now. It's not showing it's not updating. Wait, I was 10th for you, man. I should be 4th. If he wants to, okay, I'm 6th. Or 4th. I mean, I don't know what one I am. It says 6th there, but it says 4th there. Wait, he's on the top 10 leaderboard, man. That's fucking profit, man. That's fucking cool. Oh, yeah, who's got a champagne boy or something? We've still got about a month left though, so we've still got a fucking big old long time. Well, I say a month. We've got about 20 days left, so we've got a long old time to go. But we are going strong, and again, using these streams, we'll be able to catch these exact trades really good. The same spices for the last few, for the last week not. Are you coming down? I fucking hope so. Let's look. I mean, the 5 minutes kind of shit because we don't have a trade through. So for continuation, it's not going to be fantastic. I feel like the best trades for New York, I hate to say this, Josh, would be if price comes to the Friday 50. I hope for your sake of your trade, but I hope it don't. I hope you continue down. Well, the free key. Oh, sorry, I did miss more comments. Sorry, bro. You passed the challenge the other day on live or not? Well, we got that phase 2 that we brought back to profit, and now I've got a 200k. I can't show you because it's on my phone, but it's come on the YouTube stream, innit? If you seriously want to be watching these streams, get on these trades, learn about trading, ask me whatever questions the fuck you want, come on YouTube so I can show my MT5 and stuff on there. But we're currently up on the 200k. We started trading yesterday. We're currently up about 6%, just above 6%. So we need about 2R now to past that phase 1 and that 200. Boys, by the way, we are giving away 2 fucking ACG 25k accounts tomorrow, bro. Giving away 50k worth of accounts. As we do every single month, man. You boys want to get your hands on one of them, man? Drop me a fucking message. Drop me a message. Get in on that shit. Who the fuck does not want a 25k account, man? Bro, this orange has bare white shit on it, man. It's actually kind of putting me off eating it. Ah. We'll see what it does. We'll see what it does. The clock ain't even handle me right now. I thought Apex was flying with him. Yeah, bro, Apex had an insane last quarter. He was up about 40% in the last quarter. But, Jan weren't good. Jan, I think I can't remember how many trades he lost. Like, we haven't actually gone over the results yet. Oh, I think Stu has. I haven't actually seen them. They weren't that bad in it, but they were because he did get a trade at the end of the month, which I think was about 4R. It was an EU short, and he got at the end of the month. I think the 28th. I think it was. Can't remember. Oh my God! Look at gold. Yeah, this is what I'm saying, boys. Gold is gonna, and I thought it was gonna do this. And again, we said this. Boys, we said this. We said we was gonna range in this range, and I think we're gonna do this for the next week. We're gonna do the exact same thing. We saw this last October. We should really be doing the exact same thing. Bro, why am I listening to Tinchy Strider and N-Dubs? It's kind of hard though, but it's actually his little... EUGU, really? I don't think there's any overall right at the moment. I'm just still really looking to long. It's taken sort of those externals on the 4. And realistically, we feel the majority of this imbalance on the daily, so I don't really have a target for the dollar. I kind of would start analysing if it is going to start flipping, sort of around this order block. But we still got this strong bias, do you know what I mean? So I don't... Bro, why am I lagging so much, man? Like, why? Why? But I don't think the gold's going to come down too much, man. I don't think it's going to come down too much. The dollar's massively benefiting from this market, man. Massively. I blew phase 2 back to back. What shall I do? What's your problem? I feel like, have you noticed what your problem is, bro? Because you'll notice there is some form of problem. It might be in your... Because the thing is, I'll just ask you first and foremost, is it your psychology? Because if it's not, then I'll tell you a few things what it might be. But again, ops on crypto, man, it's fucking hunger. I don't know what I can say on this shit, but nah, don't trade crypto, man. Grow up. You can invest in crypto, man. Invest in like Bitcoin and that if you really want to, but like, don't trade it, bro. Trade a regulated market. Trade stocks, trade forex, just trade regulated markets, or trade legit, actual, tangible items if you may. Just don't trade crypto. Oh, sorry, bro. No, I won't trade it. But you seen the crash in it? Yeah, I've seen, bro. We was just looking at that, man. Someone just said Bitcoin at 69k. I was thinking, bro, what? But yeah, fuck crypto, man. Thank God. What was the coin that everyone said they were like everyone's so like anally tight to? Is it XRP or something? What was it? What are the 3 key traits for a profitable trader? I mean, for me, bro, I'd say for me, because again, I feel like everyone's different, but I feel like for me, bro, honestly, not putting stop loss break even, not being a bitch, staying in your trade and not changing a thing. Be a dog. Don't change your trade just because of an emotion, right? Trade like a dog. If you're in your trade, that's your trade. All of the things you see after and all the thoughts you think during the trade is all just psychological shit. So understanding that, I feel like that is probably one of the biggest things. Is understanding that, bro. You just need to be on your trade all the time, and even if you're not profitable yet, I'd even say that. Like, even just have that trade. As you're not a non-profitable trader, have that trade. Because even if you continuously lose and you're not profitable, at least you're gonna understand why. Because if you keep putting stop loss break even, moving TP, taking trade out early, essentially being a fucking pussy, then you're not going to understand where you're going wrong. You can't actually data grab. You're not going to get the most conclusive data on why it's not working. So It's going to end up coming back to bite you in the anus, you know what I mean? Yeah, XR, yeah, I thought it was XRPs. I thought it was. EG predictions for the day, please. So obviously today we're looking at a hold of interest rates on both the BOE and the ECB. It's currently 1 o'clock, so I'm pretty sure the BOE and the ECB? I'm pretty sure the ECB is in a bit. Okay, ECB is in about 7 minutes, but they're both holding rates today, which again does stabilise the euro and the pound. That's kind of why I think we might see EU and GU pop up a little bit. But I mean, again, risk-off market is still massively, well, the risk-off sentiment is massively more stronger than that. I feel like EG isn't the trade right now. I feel like EU and GU is the trade just because we've actually got that differentiation from the dollar to both currencies. EG are in the same boat, keeping rates the same. I feel like it all depends on what they say after. I mean, how many NPC voted for a hold? 7. Is it 7? 7 voted for a hold. Yeah, so 7 people voted hold, 2 people voted to cut. So that's a hawkish hold. So I'll let you know in literally 6 minutes. I'll let you know what I think about EG. And I think where the best positions will be for it. Because I mean, we kind of need to wait for the press conference, actually, really. But it depends if Lagarde is sort of dovish or hawkish on the interest rates. We know she's holding, but is she dovish or hawkish is the key question. Are you going to take any trades today? The thing is, right now, we need to wait for this euro to come out. So I can only assume that we could possibly have this movement here. Which these shorts down will probably make me nut. I'll be so honest with you. Sorry, but it probably would. Thank you for that, much appreciated. Anytime, Kevin, bro, anytime, man. Back to back, funded, back to back, man. How do I join giveaway? MH, you'll be in it, bro. I fucking spoke to you on the phone yesterday, bro. We had a phone call and I told you exactly. I think I told you exactly, but bro, I fucking spoke to you verbally about it. It's in the live. We'll be on a live stream tomorrow. So tomorrow on Friday at 12:30, the same time as today. Actually, you know what? I'll tell you what, I'll do a New York stream at 12:30. And then we'll jump on and do the giveaway at 1:30. We'll jump over to the Discord and do the giveaway. That's what we'll do. So we'll do the giveaway this Friday, tomorrow at 1:30. We're going to be giving away 2 25k funded accounts over in the Discord. But I'll be live on this, on the YouTube and on the TikTok from 12:30. Let you man know. Could come up to Brian 850. That's sort of where I am. And we are holding rates. And it depends if we've got a bit more of a dovish one or a hawkish one. I'll put Bloomberg on for when that does. I'm live to about 3, half 3. So I'm here with you, man. I'm here with you, man. Do you know what I mean? How these pigs just justify a 3.75% is beyond reason. How these pigs can justify a 3.75% is beyond reason. The only reason why we've held interest rates of 3.75 is because of that little tick up of inflation. I feel like that's the only reason why we can. But at the same time, we need to cut interest rates. If we want to continue, I would love the UK to cut interest rates, man. Fucking love it, man. That'll give me a beautiful bias for the pound. And again, let's be honest. If the pound's weak, it's good. The pound's actually, if your currency's weak, it's good. People are gonna buy more from you. You will export more because your goods will be cheaper if your currency is considered weak. Is considered getting weaker. Let's be honest, man. You want shit from Europe, UK. You want shit from there. You know it's good from there, innit? Do you know what I mean? Even though we don't really send much out. We're mainly a service country, same as Germany. Germany's kind of both, manufacturing and service, but us as UK, we're mainly services. Give it to me already, I won, Lou did it privately, yeah, fucking, but man, you ain't winning one, son. No, I'm joking, you're gonna get one at some point, man. I'm rooting for you, Mem. I'm actually low-key rooting for you, because you've been buoyed off a few times. But I'll be giving away 2, so... We got chances, boys. Jed, you're in fucking both of them this week as well, man. Jed's got a chance of winning one. Jed, have you already won one as well? I'm pretty sure. Have you? I don't think Jed's even... Jed might not have even ever bought a prop firm account. I think he's just won them. I can't tell if Jed's won one or not. I don't think so. I think you bought a 10k. You're definitely at least 100% too sure. How did you enter after that big candle inversing? On what, Tig? Are we talking about EU? Sorry, bro. This here, yeah? What are you looking at for New York? I'm kind of looking... I feel like, I'll be honest, right now what we need to do is just confirm if EU's going to stay where it is. Sorry, if it's going to continue down or continue back up. This leg's crucial. If we continue down, trade for this fair value, we can look to go ahead and short again. But we could see price come to the Friday 50, then we're looking to short. Either way, I'm looking to sell this bitch. I'm not looking to buy, I'm looking to sell. That's what we're looking for. Main buyer still. Risk off story still bigger than the ECB and the UK interest rate story right now. 100%. Yeah, bro. I got him through the Asia liquidity grab, so I'll show you the exact trade, bro. I had this place. I can't show you because it was on my MT. That's on my phone. But if you want to see it, go on the YouTube and I'll show it after I just go through this little rundown. But I trade the Asia liquidity grab strategy, which essentially gets me to short or long during London session after we sweep Asia's high or low. And the reason for that is because London loves to grab Asia's liquidity. And it's done it every morning this week and does it very, very often. This has been saying that's happened in the markets for years, 20, 30 plus years. And we've been trading this for a good 4 or 5. But the main thing about this trade is again, we need to know that the market is bullish or bearish. The LG strat is perfect when you've got a bias. So we need to understand what the bias is. Right now, we know the market is massively risk on from the dollar. Dollar story right now is Kevin Walsh is looking at hawkish interest rates, which is going to keep the dollar higher for longer. And that story right now is pushing the market to risk off because this was a massive shock to the market, considering everyone thought Trump was going to hire someone who was going to be happy to cut interest rates and see rates lower, which would lower or weaken the dollar, I should say. So that is why we're looking for the weaker dollar. Sorry, the weaker EU, the stronger dollar. So we're going for shorts essentially. And then what we saw quite early on, we saw price sweep the Asia higher at around 8.15. And another thing I want to say, and boys, again, I say this every fucking stream. 8 o'clock is the best time to trade London session. 8 AM will always be the best time. Why? Because we not only have banks opening, but we also have the whole of Europe's stocks and equity open. So this is when we have the mass amount of volume in the markets. Secondly, what a fucking tune. Silver bullet Marlow, there you go, Bereski. You know it, man. Higher volume, we want higher volume. Higher volume means we're going to have a big fucking move. So the big move happens at 8. One big move every single morning at 8 AM, lads. Every single morning. 8 AM, we have a big move. We wait for 8 AM, sweeps the high. We know we're short in the dollar. Sorry, we know we're long in the dollar, short in Euro USD. Keep mixing up, it's actually pissing me off a little bit. And we're looking to short it. And again, I didn't only capitalise from EU. We also capitalised through DAX. And how do we capitalise through DAX? Well, again, the market's risk off. Massively risk off. So in a risk off market, we don't favour stocks. We favour currency and safety. So we go towards currencies, we go towards bonds, we go towards these things, right? I don't think the US stocks are doing too bad to be, okay, never mind, they are. But they were rebalancing a bit, they were doing quite well, but clearly not now. But that's how we was able to capitalise on DAX. When the market is risk off, we look to short stocks. Learn this shit, boys, take it in, write this shit fucking down. That's a perfect market divergence that you want to see happen. Especially to get a nice cagey bias, bro. We've come off this fair value here. We're having like a mad rejection to the upside. This is a banger, really. 60% chance men out in this first 5 spins. Yeah, defo. Haters, remember to go first. How do you win? How do you win? Sorry, what for now? What do you mean, bro? Right, how do you win? What the giveaway? Right. So what we do, right? is we do this big wheel. And everyone's going to put their name in it. And we're going to do eliminations, right? I'll kind of show you what I mean. I'll show you what I mean, actually. Fuck it. This is how we do it, right? So you've got someone named D, you've got someone named, these are everyone's names, right? Everyone's names. We'll spin it, and essentially the last person's name to be picked is the winner. So it's like an elimination. He's a bit fucking shaky. Remove him, and then we keep going, etc, 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 right? So nothing skill-based, nothing that you can possibly cheat on. Just pure and utter luck to get the front of the count. You just gotta be in the stream. Speak soon at hospital. Josh, speak spoon, my bro. Speak spoon. Speak soon, brother. Good luck, man. Hope you're all good. Do you let us join Discord and teach us to trade and do the same trade as you? Yes, brother. I mean, everyone in the there's like half the pre-London got in the same EU shorts as me this morning. We had this trade and I stayed on till we TP'd. Yeah, I stayed until we TP'd, I'm pretty sure, didn't we, boy? Didn't I? I can't remember. I think I did. No, we got to stop the Ben hate, man. Mate, it's played Lady Boy. Lady Boy. Oh, it's not... Wow, I thought I said Lady Boy. Mace play Lady. Wow, I just typed up Mace play. Well, we do, bro, we do. How do you know if it's continuation or ALG reversal? Two reasons, really, bro. Bias. Well, one reason, really, bias. I was going to give another one, but I just think I'll just give one reason, the bias. If we're shorting the dollar's weak, and again, especially if we get the 8 AM sweep, then we look to short. But for an example, and normally what a big telltale is Asia session. When Asia session continues, as we see here, Asia session wasn't really continuative. It was kind of continuative. But we made the high and the low very quickly, and then we just traded within. Okay? This is perfect. This means we got a high for Asia, and we got a low for Asia, and we got accumulation all within. So sweeping that, bear in mind also sweep these highs here. We want to go for the low. We see liquidity get taken. That's why we know it's gonna reverse. Liquidity and bias, bro. Bias for me is the strongest one. If I don't have a market's bias, I probably won't be in the market. If something for me, if we don't have a bias, bro, I honestly just don't trade. What's the Discord, G? I tell you, I need someone to put. Is anyone in here in the Discord? Can pop it in the chat. I'm sure there's someone in the Discord here who can pop bang it in the chat for me. This is a banger as well. Brody brought an account and I said brought an account and blew it like a few hours later. Who did? How do you even fucking manage that? Just full porting. Is that Ben? Definitely Ben, innit? Check JPY pairs. Oh, we've got Yen getting a little bit stronger. Lou's still in this EJ as well. This EJ's still running fucking beautifully. Still running very nicely, but we're getting a massive reversal on JPY pairs. We kind of need it though. We need the rebalance. We need the rebalance. Hopefully take some highs. We're above the Friday 50 now. For the continuation down, there's not really high volume that's near us. We have to come back up to like Friday highs. We could come up to those areas. I'm still kind of looking to continue that yen down. Safe haven we're mainly looking at is the dollar. Do you still do them signals? Yeah, we do, bro. Are you looking for buyers right now? On what, bro? On EU and GU, I'm looking for sells, but I'm just waiting for price to develop. Right now, we're seeing price not break out of the range. I even want to see us break out this fair value to the downside, and then I'll continue to short, probably back for the DTO. Oh, you can't really see that. Oh, sorry. Or I'd want Price to just continue and come to the Friday 50 to then look for the sell. Either way, I'm looking for sells. Karan, what's good, broski? How we doing, man? Any trades today, Karan? Did you get an EU? Did you blow any prop bows before passing your first one? Bro, bears. Bro, I failed bear challenges. I failed challenges even when after I got payouts, bro. Still failed challenges. This is why I think when people get payouts, like, don't get too fucking excited, bro. Like, fucking hell, everyone gets payouts. It's just how long can you keep that shit for? That's the real challenge. But yeah, like, never get too comfy, boys. And mate, I can tell you firsthand, I've seen too many people come and go from the community that gets funded and just loses their head. Not lose it, I don't know how to explain it, but just ends up losing their account, and then, bro, they just fucking, like, they try to do anything to get back to getting funded, to getting past the challenge, but that's, like, not what you're aiming to do, do you know what I mean? Like, it ruins you. That's why you should always acknowledge it, man. But every trader is going to sort of reach the same barrier at some point, man. Like, we was all doing the same shit at the start. We've all passed the challenge. We've all got payouts. Well, maybe not all of us, but like, say if you've been doing it for like 3, 4, 5 years, you probably do. And then we've lost accounts, got accounts back, lost again, more payouts, 3, 4 payouts, lost account. Like, we've all, like, you go through this. You just go through it until it gets to a point when you've got enough funding and enough counts in order to actually sort of actually leverage yourself, where you can go aggressive on challenges. I say aggressive, not really aggressive, but just more aggressive. Maybe double risk or trade more. Maybe just so you got some more. Or it's annoying because this is either too far back. Boys, if you're on the TikTok, come join on YouTube. This is where I'm mainly live, innit? Come join on here. No more office. Nah, we was out there years ago, man. Years ago. We was there for a year. We had a contract, we had a year. Probably won't go back. It was a sick thing to do. Probably won't go back. You really didn't need an office, bro. We didn't really need an office in Canary Wharf anyway. We'll probably get an office again, but not in the Wharf. Only thing is, it's just so long away from us, bro. And we do streams in the morning now at like 6:30. So to get to Canary Wharf with me and Lou takes about an hour and a quarter minimum. Talk about it. How come the office didn't work out? It did work out, bro. We had it for a fucking year. We was there for a year, left, travelled Asia for like 6 months. And yeah, now we've just been looking to grow our socials, really, bro. Looking to grow our YouTube, been growing our YouTube. The start of the year we was on like a K follower, like 2K followers, I think, last year. Started last year, now we're at like 26K. Just looking to grow all of our shit, lock in a little bit more. Do you not rate being able to network around there? You can network, bro, but I mean, mate, you come to realise that there's a lot of people that just are fucking useless. You meet so many people in the Wolf, so many people talk shit. I met so many people that just talk shit in the Wolf. And there's some great people. Blown 7 FTMO accounts in the last 2 years, swear, gonna lose my mind. It's easily done, man, it's easily done. Very easily done. But again, are you actually taking all the lessons from those challenges? Because if you're not, bro, it's going to be a fucking roundabout for you. Do you journal and stuff? Kaya, what you saying, broski? How'd you make a brew? Fucking black, mate. Black as fucking shit. That's how the fuck I want it. Dark as heck. Heavy on the coffee. Very, 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 very light on the milk. Well, no milk. But I'm having my coffee black as shit, bro. Canary Wharf is the belly of the finance beast. It is fucking lovely. But you got a lot of big banks moving out of there. Well, yeah, you got a few. You got a few big banks moving out of there. You still got JP Morgan and Chase there, which is probably the biggest bank in the fucking world, really. Well, we was there for 12 months. We connected with a decent amount of people. We do go up there like every week, every other week, on weekends, me and Lou. We can now just get office day passes now. Whenever we need. Well, it's just getting up there, bro. It's fucking so long in the mornings. Trading London session, trading early European session, and streaming for it is not the one, bro. I don't know why he's in the Discord and not in the mentorship. Seems like he's got a lot to learn, but he's stuck in his ways. Yeah, a lot of people are, man. A lot of people stuck in their ways. You can't, some people, it's like a kid, man. Sometimes you need to just let him have a little tantrum, a little throw about, and fucking maybe they'll shut up and then actually listen. You know what I mean? It's a little bit like that, but everyone does it. You know what I'm saying? Everyone does it. Hella news today. Nothing that's really gonna shake the current price. Nothing that's not already priced in. Hold from the ECB, priced in. Hold from the UK, priced in. So nothing that none of us have, that the price hasn't marketed. Well, I see this monetary policy actually, because this is key. I need to see if we're actually dovish or not for this ECB. YouTube channel's Richesse FX, boys. I'm streaming on there right now. I don't know where it says. Does it say anywhere? It's just that, bro. It is just that. What's max risk I can? What's max I can risk on Alpha Pro Phase 2? What type of question is that, bro? What the fuck type of trade are you planning? Yo. First of all, chill the fuck out, Kaya. What the fuck are you playing at? Well, for a trade, you gotta think, right? Even if you're 2% well, it's 4% daily, isn't it? With an Alpha Pro 2. Two-step. So, what the fuck are you planning, Kaya? Why has the signal result section not been updated in a year? It has, bro. We just do it a different way. Jack was doing it before. Now we got XLs. If you want it, I'll send it into. I'm pretty sure we've got it in the Discord, the new one, no? We've got the whole of last year's results. Let me text Stu and get him to send it in. But we do it in an Excel spreadsheet now because Stu does the results and he's an old man, so he's used to the old. Oh, what did she say? 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 Hold on. Are we hawkish then? I can only assume.
Own car City AM. Given like the story of the last 3 months have been around leaks and new leaks around Epstein and Mandelson.
Oh mate, stop talking fucking money and shit. Don't talk about fucking nonsense and shit. I shout out Epstein though, that's my fucking arse.
Yeah, sure. I mean look, the unemployment is there's a whole set of things going on in the labour market, of which there was obviously one. I mean actually what
Oh, it was a 5-4 vote. Oh, I got that wrong. It's a 5-4 vote. I didn't think it was. Bro, it says 2-7 vote here.
We're seeing, and you know, we look at this obviously incredibly carefully.
What? What the fuck? But boys, if you want to see the last year results for Signals, drop me a message. I've got them all in Excel. Why is there no? Oh, just read something. Mate's bro, can you read my message? Yo, mates, I'm such an idiot. I forgot to take my limit off on EU, and I've just closed it now with 0.5% profit. But I think I held it during the high impact news. For fuck's sake, do you think I should email? No, you're good, bro. No, you're good. No, Tommy. You can be in a trade through high impact news, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you are. You are. It's just you can't place it like a certain minutes before. Get him to send you the rules, bro. Get him to send you the rules if you don't already have them in your emails, but Yeah, the rule is it's like a 5-minute rule. You can be in the trade for a lose. It should be good. So we trade and view competition. What pairs you trade? I'm currently trading Dax. That's currently what I'm trading now. And again, boys, I want to say this again because we're fucking goated on this shit. We are currently top 6. It says top 4 here, so I'm not too sure. Not too sure, but we are currently top 4 right now. How is news for the GBP? They held rates, so it's gonna sort of support the pound a little bit. Question: where to stand? Where stand OTS for? Quick question: where stand OTS for? Sorry, say that again, Natty. Or what does it stand for? It stands for Optimal Trading Segment. So it's like the OTS, but it's a little bit. Sorry, it's like the OT. It's essentially premium and discount. That's what it refers to. You can use it in sort of a leg point of view. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you can. Top 4 on what, mate? Top 4 on the Leap Challenge. Right now there's a challenge going on TradingView. There's currently 50,000 people pretty much in the competition, and boys, we're 7th now. We're still top 10. 7 is actually the sickest number as well, let's be honest. I think everyone can sort of say in here that 7 probably is the best number, innit? 7 is the best number. I'd rather be 7th than 1st. But yeah, we're doing good, man. We're currently 31% up for the week on this challenge. Just trading DAX, a few trades on Euro stocks. 7 is my lucky number. In it is 7's like 90% of people's lucky number. In it. Let's all just say it. I know some of you men are weird and you got like 3 or some fucking weird shit like that, or like 6. If 6 is your fucking lucky number, you're a weird, bruv. I'll be real, you're weird. John, how we doing, bro? John, you're unable to get an EU today. It's a shame. It's a real shame. Let's have a look at how EU's doing though. Is it continuing down? Okay, we've come up now. Looks like we might be coming for that Friday 50. Fuck, Josh is in the hospital. And he's going to come out of the hospital, look at his phone and look at that he just stop loss on EU. That's not a great day for Joshua. That's not a great day for Joe. Wait, why did I delete my trade, bro? The fuck? 7, it's mine too. Trust me, man. It's like most man's. It's fucking cool. It's mine. But it's mine, bro. You know what I mean? It's my fucking lucky number as well. Hello, best card of his days, isn't it? He's gonna... He must be fucked if he thinks he's staying there, doesn't he? He must be absolutely... Can you message him? You can actually message them. Oh my days, you can message them, bro. No way, innit? Bro, let's fucking gaslight this, man. Oh, right, let's see what type of response. Let's hope we get in our competition's head, boys. Let's hope we get in our competition's head. I hope I don't get banned. Bro, I hope I don't get banned or some shit. Nah, they can't do that. Surely not. Surely not. We're coming for the Friday 50, boys. This was definitely a possibility that we said. So let's see how we react from here. 256, my fave. Yeah, that's crazy work, bro. News, bearish for dollar. Did we have our unemployment rate? Trading shit talk, trust me, bro. How do you even look at your DMs and shit? They're so not gonna reply to me. They're so not gonna reply. Trading Walla. Oh, this guy's got 101 follows. How many followers do I have on this shit? Hey! Let's go, man. We got fucking bear subbies. How do we I said you can actually DM, bro. Count your days. Okay, well I just come off my trade view. Traeger in his own book, yeah, fucking unreal book. I'll be real, I've read it a few times now. It's a very good book. I don't like, bro, I'll be real, I'm not great at reading, but I love trying to fucking read. I love trying to do it. And honestly, if any book was actually somewhat fun to read and something I would actually want to read, it's fucking it's one of Mark Douglas's books, to be fair. Yeah, okay, news just come out. What did we get? We just get oh, wow, yeah, we got some bad unemployment claims. Yeah, that's not great for the US. Weak labour market. Which, bearing in mind, what's that wallpaper, bro? What do you mean, what's that wallpaper, bro? This is the Taj Mahal, bro, you fucking idiot. Do you know what actually is it? Is this the Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal. Is this the Taj Mahal? No, it's not. That's embarrassing. Right, I don't know what the fuck this is then. Hard though, innit? Mark Vinivini, trading like a wizard is a good... Oh, I've not heard of that dude. I'll be honest. Let me screenshot that. Right, let's get to that Friday 50, man. Let's move. But like I was going to say, Wash is looking to cut interest rates if Labour is weak. One of the things that Powell was saying. So, lower unemployment claims. Again, we just had rates, so we still got fucking ages until our next term. I think... Well, I say next term. Next decision. When is our next decision? It's got to be March. It's probably the minor next to there are two such things flanking the tail. I think fuck! It's probably the minor. What's the minor? Is this like the minor? The minor. Why is it spelled like that as well? So we're expecting risk-off markets. I mean, that is sort of thrown a fucking spanner in the works, low-key. That news. But we still want to see price of Friday 50. We'll just see how price reacts from there. Oh, bro, I didn't even know this song was on, bro. Bro, I forgot about O'Malley, bro. This guy's hard. Mina. Come on, get to that Friday 50, man.
Rolling on the wheel now. I'm drinking Hennessy now. I hope you see now. Say you don't bust my eyeglass. You don't scut the mind now.
EG's flying as well. We've had the pound so weak today. And yesterday, really.
Why you make me bitch? Why you think to me?
Yeah, EG's been so weak. The pound's been so weak today. So weak. I mean, I guess if we are 4-5, which what did chat say? Yeah, bro, why the fucking trade review lie then? Not trade review, what? Forex Factory lie. So we had 5-4. Which essentially is 5 to hold, 4 to cut, which is a dovish cut. Because obviously we had 4 vote to cut, 5 not. So in other words, it's a dovish hold from the Bank of England. So we're going to be weaker pound, hence why we're already down 0.5% for the fucking day. Holy shit. Damn. So yeah, EG buyers for the rest of the week. EG buyers maybe even going into next week as well would be tasty. You'd rather short the pound over the euro now. But again, EU's nicer today because we've not actually swept these lows here. We've still got the liquidity below these, which I definitely could see a move from the Friday 50. Again, boys, if you're on TikTok, man, you can't see the screen at all, bro. Get on YouTube now. Get on YouTube. Get on YouTube. Do it. Do it, EU. Sell euro. I'll definitely wait. But I think we'll analyse once you took that Friday 50. We'll look at a 5-minute trade for. Hopefully we actually get a 5-minute, bro. Hopefully. The only miner I know is Q-Tub Miner. Tall building. Oh. You can be in the trade, you just can't put a trade on amend and manually pull positions within 5 minutes of news. Yeah. Bro, you should be good, Tommy, innit? Oh, bro, why is your PC doing that today? Yeah, for sure, bro. Do you know what I always say? Do you know what I always say, Kyle, right? I always say, trade the exact same. Honestly, bro, just trade the exact same because you got to phase 2 by trading that specific way, bro. So just do the same again, but look for an A-star setup. Only go for the A-stars. On a challenge, you might have had 1 or 2 that, you know what, you probably might not have traded because there was maybe no Friday 50, for an example. Might be another variable. But do the same thing. Do the same thing, but just only go for the A-star setups. That would be my advice. Phase 2 is massively a psychological problem, but you also do need less, so you don't need to be as aggressive at all by any means. So whoever's looking textbook, take. But bear in mind, you still got 5%. You still got 10% max loss. Just loads. You got fucking loads of room there, bro. Take as long as it takes. Trust me, there's nothing better than. I mean, it doesn't even matter what size account it is. Just being funded, bro, and getting more and more and more accounts is the main aim. So getting it passed is crucial. But you've proven to do it in phase 1. So do the exact same way phase 2. Just go for the only A-star setups. And all you really need is one trade. You don't need to risk 2% to get one good trade in there. Let's have a toast for those jarpos. You know the love, my boy. What's the name artist of this tune, bro? This is Kanye. Runaway. I think it was about this tune. I'm not too sure. But yeah, definitely double check it. Please look at EJ. It looks like because the dollar sort of got that little weakness that the yen may gain some strength in this early New York session. We still haven't got New York Stock Exchange open yet, so we still don't have the max amount of volume in the markets right now. Let's look at EJ, JCLT, What are we looking at today, bro? We're looking at EU short. Well, I've already got in on the EU shorts. We've already had the initial sell this morning, which was this trade here. But we're just going to allow price to get to the Friday 50. We're going to reevaluate through there. Might look at GU as well, back at DTO if we can get that move back up. Yeah. You still in EU longs? EU longs? Bro, I haven't longed EU since maybe the start of Jan. I've been selling EU this whole week. I've been selling the market this whole week, to be fair. All backs, euro. Mate, it's on the real, you've impacted so many young people's lives in a good way in this trading space. Love you, bro. My fucking family. Probably the nicest comment I've ever had on YouTube, bro. Right, you know they love my boy. Oh, ACG one-step challenge is good. Yeah, bro. Wait, one step? No. No prop firm's one-step challenge is worth it. I can assure you that. Not even FTMOs is. Just always go with 2 steps. Any trades you're looking at, Trace. I'm looking at AU, but I just want to see it come and grab this Friday 50 before we look to continue the shorts. Been really fucking around in the last like 15-20 minutes. Same with GU. If GU comes back up to these detail levels, which I reckon could do within the next 45. Bear in mind, the true volume for New York will start coming at about 2:30. So, sort of positioning ourselves for a position is what we're playing at right now. DAX, I would love to see continuations, but same thing, I need to see a rebalance back in this leg to continue down if we want to start shorting the DAX again. Come on, EU, have the move, you motherfuckers. So yeah, same with yen. The yen's had that big distro now, so I can only assume we've got to have some form of move back to the high volume area with the yen. Just seeing price come back to no point of control is key. Structurally, we could do with a rebalance to the upside, so I get that we're moving up, but I would say we are quite limited with how much we're risking. We've been taking out recent highs, filled some imbalances in the 4 hour to the left. So yeah, I reckon we could definitely start moving down. But the dollar has got weak, so it kind of does sort of favour the yen as a safe haven, but I still think the risk-off market is the strongest thing right now, even though unemployment claims didn't come out the greatest. We swept Asia low now on DXY. Which we actually didn't do this morning, which again would have made perfect sense if we didn't get into EU this morning. We've now broke that low. We're assuming that price is going to come to that Pro 50. I feel like JPY could go either way right now. It's in that expansion, so we'll watch it top out. What's Lou's position looking like? Lou's position is looking fucking beautiful. Even if it dropped by 100 pips, it would still look fucking beautiful, lads. I'll be so honest. This is goated shit. Me and Lou have been... Well, probably shouldn't say that. Me and Lou have done really well this week. Can't really express my true self in the moment, but all I'll say is we've milked the markets this week. We really have. I got out of it. Nice. What price did you get out, Lou? 185,399. Nice, bro. 185,399. Wow, really nice point as well, to be fair. Oh, wait. Why am I changing the entry? Oh, why am I changing the entry? Can't complain, bro. Cannot complain, mate. Mate, mate, this week's been insane. This week's been so good, man. What do we take from that? Fucking lovely shit, man. Lovely shit. But this fucking lovely swing from Lou. Lou's been out there swinging his cock around. We've also both been milking EU like it's a fucking pig. I don't think you can even milk pigs. Pretty sure you can't even milk pigs, but we're milking them somehow. We're milking, lactating. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. Dax has been fucking brutal. Okay, wow. Dax has been getting milked like a pig as well. Again, not too sure if pigs can get milked, but we are milking a lactating pig. It's been an insane week, and it's Thursday. We've still got, I mean, tomorrow probably. It's got to be a sit-out for me, man. I'll be so honest. It has to be some form of sit-out. Oh, hey you! Fucking hurry up and do it then, you bellend. Pissing about. You can milk anything, I'm sure. Sure, that's not technically true, is it? You can milk anything, I'm sure. So you're telling me everything lactates in a way, or everything produces milk? Bro, if I squeeze you as hard as I can and milk comes out, I am questioning everything about you, bro. Pigs don't have udders. Yeah, but I'm sure they got some shit under there. I swear pigs have the... Bro, pigs have udders, bro. Pigs definitely have fucking little things. Like, pigs definitely have titties or some shit. Pig. It's a pig, mate. It's not piggy. She's a grown ass fucking man, for God's sake. Pig udders. I'm sure they're not called udders, but pig titties. Pig udders. They're actually called pig. Bro, they're fucking called udders, bro. Bro, I swear to God, they're called udders. See, bro, look at this pig. It's just either got fucking tit. Bro, why did? Yo, Loki, why did the breasts on this pig actually look kinda okay? Like, I've seen birds with worse breasts, Loki. But you know what I mean? Like, that's kind of what I meant by that. What do you want to happen with EU? I want to see it come to the Friday 50, then I want to see some form of reversal after that, really, bro. That's where I'm at with the markets. We've come to the Friday 50. This is why we wait, boys. This is why we keep ourselves to ourselves and we fucking chill out and wait. Now we've got to see a 5-minute trade through. Hopefully we can form a nice 5-minute here. This candle is a bit okay, Mace again. Could we see longs on EU? Potentially. But I'd rather... Wait. Longs on EU. Yeah, we'll see what it brings. But we need to see his reaction here. If we can close this 5, get this 5-minute, if we continue off of it, then I can only assume we will. We might even come to Friday high. We held rates and then we had bad unemployment. Have we got anything else coming out? No 3 PM news or anything today? No, don't. Bank holiday in New Zealand. Who gives a fuck? Respectfully. No, that's it. Obviously, wait, have we had Lagarde speak? Alright, bro, just a question. How long did it take for you to feel comfortable enough to start live trading? Mate, I'll be honest, I'm not even too sure, bro. But I'll be honest, I don't know, man. I actually don't know, to be honest. Depends where you squeeze, mate. So I guess that's a fair point. I'm not too sure, to be honest, bro. That might be like one of the only questions I can't even answer. But the thing is, I've built a community. Like, I'm not actually live on TikTok. I'm live on YouTube to about 100 man at the moment. But we've built a community over the course of like 3 years. And I'll be honest, I'm bare close with these boys, man. I'm close with like fucking at least 70 of the dudes in it. Like, real close to shit. We talk every morning, we trade together. So maybe, I don't know, as soon as we started trading together and shit, I guess from there, I'm not too sure how long. Maybe a year. I've fully got a bit more comfortable. Jolts at 3. We got jolts at 3. You sure? We had jokes, no, bro. We had jokes in like early week. Pretty sure we had jokes like Monday or Wednesday or Tuesday. Sorry. We got Bostic speech at 4:30. Nah, yeah, we had joke jobs on. When did we have joke jobs? Oh, are they bringing out today because of the shutdown or something? Why can't I see no? Bro, there was 100% joke jobs this morning. Early this week. No? Bro, boys, back me up here. Am I tripping? Dick, why don't I remember us already having jokes? It's not on Forex Factory, don't fuck with me, man. I'll lose my mind. "100% jokes today at 3. Did we not have jokes earlier this week though? Am I tripping? I could have sworn we had it earlier this week. Yeah, there was 100%. Yeah, there was 100%. Where's it gone? Bro, I swear to God there was jokes earlier this week, innit?
I stay strapped like car seats, been banging since my little nigga Rob got killed for his Barclays. That's 10 years, I told Pooh in 95, I'll kill you if you try me for my Air Max 95s. Told Banks when I met him, I'ma ride, and if I gotta die, I'd rather homicide.
Where the fuck are they?
My grandmama died, now I'm going back to Cali with my Jacob on. See how time fly. The underdogs on top, and I'm gonna shine, homie, until my heart stop. Go ahead, beat me.
Oh, right, that makes sense. Oh, so it's lagged, that's why. I'm pretty sure Jokes was meant to come out alright though, innit? I'll have a little look what he was expecting. But I'm pretty sure he was expecting Jokes to come out alright. Unemployment claims hasn't been great. But let's see if we can get there. This is the deciding 5-minute fair value, boys. Are we going to trade through and make this an IFEG, or are we going to continue up and this just be where we continue up? Boys, 100 man on the fucking YouTube. Let's go, man. Boys, if you are on the TikTok right now, come jump on the YouTube. You can see my full screen, see me handsome face. Yeah, mainly because you can see the full screen, man, because the TikTok is... I've got to hold my phone there, sort of thing. If you come on the YouTube, you can see everything I'm looking at. Would you enter just from an inverse? Yes, brother. Yeah. The news is very contradicting right now. That's something I would say. Bro, where's that vape, bro? It's my dick. Nah, I'm joke mates, love Richesse. What did you say, man? You little fucking... Bro, we pay you to be our mates. You actually kind of got me there as well. You kind of low-key got me there. Yeah, there was 100%. Where is it gone? Yeah, there was, isn't it? Yeah, Jones was delayed by shutdown. That makes sense. That makes sense. We didn't get it Monday with partial shutdown. Right, got it. Oh, right, yeah, it says here. Yeah, right. Lovely. I mean, I'm pretty sure we was expecting that to come out strong. Slightly hawkish. What indicator to use for the prior days? Couldn't find a name on the mentorship. If you, I'll tell you what, bro. If you go to my, I'll show you now. If you go to my Discord, right? Go to my Discord. Let's go to my Discord. So this is my Discord, right? If you go into the free chat, right? Just text it in here. Just text indicator into the free chat. And then I'll just send it over to you from there. The indicator with all the settings and everything. If you're a member, you can just go on members content and it's in there in the announcements. So Lagarde is neutral to slightly hawkish on interest rates. No rush to cut, not dovish, red hawkish hold, comfortable hold. So EU's probably going to continue up. Again, this 5 minutes vital. This 5 minute is vital, you know. Euro heading down now. We'll see, but we'll see. I'm hoping for a sell-off as well. I'm hoping for a sell-off. We'll see. What are you trying to get on there, Henry? Looking for the short or the long? Because I'd say, honestly, it can go either way right now, you know. That could go either way. Long swing, fair play. I think we still got Lagarde speaking. I think. Let me double check.
As software stocks get absolutely hammered, Abbey Yoder of J. They went to the stuff that written
up. Raise the pause. This is why you be careful, lads. Okay. Actually showed it on 1 step or 2 step, actually. 2 step all the way, broski. 2 step all the way, man. Confusing week. What have you been confused about, bro? Oh, in terms of technicals, I actually get it. In terms of technicals, I 100% get it. But from a headline perspective, boys, this week has been nothing but dollar sales. I promise you that. Nothing but stock sales, dollar buyers. Gave the complete wrong signal. It's been strong dollar this whole week. All you've had to do is short the euro. Short Euro USD, short GU, short stock, short DAX. I am literally right now, currently, have we gone down a bit? I hope not. We're currently top 7 right now at the Leap Challenge. 31% pretty much in 4 trading days of just trading the DAX. And the only thing I've been doing is shorting. Why? Because we're in a risk-off market, which is where we do not favour stocks at all. So we see the stock markets plummet. And understanding that headline fundamental news is fucking crucial. And the exact same way I'm up right now, 6% on the 200k ACG 2-step challenge. I would show that, but it's on this phone. If you want to see it, come jump on the YouTube. I'll show you MetaTrader. Higher time has been choppy, just off hands all week. It's fair play, man. It's honestly, this week has favoured fundamental traders. If you understand fundamentals, and it's been fucking perfect. It's been absolutely perfect. What's the next move, my friends? A good question. We're asking the market that itself. We've been getting news that has sort of been telling me that we definitely could be strong Euro USD for the reasons of the euro held rates, and we're looking at a hawkish cut. Oh, sorry, a hawkish hold. And then we've also got the Bank of England who've sort of got a bit more of a dovish hold, so a bit more weaker pound over euro. We just got some labour data from the US, not great at all. Unemployment come out higher, about 20k higher. It was expected about 10k, come out double. We've still got jolts. I think we've got the Lagarde speech going on right now, but could you explain that trades on the screen? I appreciate the thought. Yeah, for sure, bro. Of course. So this trade here, right? So I trade something called the ALG strat, and this strategy is essentially when you buy or sell if prices grab the Asia high or low. But I massively implement bias into this through fundamental outlook. Right now, like I just said, I'm massively risk off in terms of the market. The market is risk off. That means we favour safe havens. So we favour the dollar. We favour the Swiss franc. We favour bonds. We don't favour stocks. We don't favour the euro, the pound. So we're looking to essentially short the euro, the pound against the dollar. That has been this week's narrative. And that's all I've wanted to do. And I've got in those trades this whole entire fucking week. Tuesday, shorts. I didn't actually get in this one. It was very unlucky. Very unlucky. I missed my point too. But we shorted from Asia high. But then I was able to short, continue for New York. This was yesterday. This morning. This lovely short here. So as you can see, we've grabbed the high. If we grab the high, I look to sell. We grab the low, I look to buy. I'm only looking for sells in this market. So I just want to see price come and grab that Asia high. This grey box you see here is the Asia session. 1 AM to 6 AM. This is the high volume time within Asia. Mainly is 2 to 6, but 1 is sort of when we get a bit more of the open volume. But 2 to 6 is when we've got the max volume of the Asia liquidity, of the Asia session. So once we grab the high, we was looking to sell. How did I get in? I looked for the 5-minute inversion, which essentially is a 5-minute fair value gap. But instead of me looking to want to continue price on, I want it to trade through in order to tell me that we are going to start shifting structure to the downside on the lower time frame. I know I'm bearish on the higher. I know that for a fact. But I'm also looking to understand if we've got the alignment between the higher and the lower. And we did. As soon as you had the 5-minute trade through, boom, I'm in. I'm entering 50% off the IFVG, and I'm shorting that pretty little hoe down to the fucking Asia liquidity low. Where we nab ourselves 3% and put ourselves fucking 2% away from passing that 200k challenge. Which is fucking perfect. Where'd you get your news and data? PIQ Suites is probably my favourite. Forex Factory for the actual event news and headliners. Also, what I do like to look at is normally routers. I look at routers constantly. Routers drop many fucking signals, I'll be honest, boys. They drop literal signals near enough. But it's normally what they say about the market, which is quite important. And routers have a massive influence on the market. I always use ChatGPT as well, boys. Don't be scared to use ChatGPT, man. ChatGPT, if you prompt it the right stuff, all it does is going to scan the internet for you. It's going to give you the quickest results. So if you know how fundamentals should go, like if you don't know fundamentals, don't just ask ChatGPT some stupid question like where is the euro going or anything like that. Give it the data, give it everything that's happening. Tell it where it's been for the last week, where it is looking to go, considering a forecast for the market. Prompt it well, and it'll give you a nice sort of indication of, or some nice more information that you might not already know, which may push your bias into one direction. What's your Asia kill zone time, if you don't mind me? Asia, I don't have an Asia kill zone, bro. Well, Asia kill zone is 2 to 6. Sorry, I just said that I don't have it. There is. So Asia is 2 AM. This is UK time to 6 AM. London is 7 AM to 10 AM. New York is 1 PM to 4 PM. Asia's actually got a longer time, you might notice. But we don't use the Asia kill zone. We use it for higher volume to take liquidity. So this kill zone is larger. These are 3-hour kill zones. So do you wait for the sweep during London? What if the sweep occurred before it? But I'm not placing, bro. It's too early. I need the move to be 8 AM. 8 AM is the real London move. Is the real London move. So anything before, we don't want to place. But 7 AM is when we should start seeing the build-up of liquidity. 8 AM we see the most. Why? We have the London Stock Exchange. We've got the European equities open, banks open, everything opens. Volume is high. 8 AM is the best time to trade. London session. Fact. Not even 7 to 8. You can have the sweep of Asian liquidity before, but the real move's going to happen at 8. Or just after 8. You can take liquidity before that and stuff. You might see price just stall and wait till 8 because it needs the volume to move. You'll notice it. It happens all the time, boys. Look at this morning. When did price move off Asia? What time do we grab Asia's high and what time do we have the real move? That one big, quick, efficient move. What time do we have it? Have a little look. Same thing for yesterday. What time was it yesterday that we swept Asia and moved to the downside? What time was it? Have a look. Day before, have a look. What time do we sweep Asia? And then what time do we have the real move? Yeah? Just have a look what time. Don't even take my word for it. Get data. Will you place limits? It depends. Again, I can definitely see EU continuing up here, bro. I'll be so gay. I can definitely see it continue up. What would confirm a continuation on the EU if we just continue to trade through these 5 minutes? We've not actually really broke this high yet. I know we wicked above, but I want to see a closure. I want to see a closure above. Josh, what are you saying, broski? Wouldn't mind a weak dollar now. Yeah, I feel like that's what we're going to get. 8 AM, blood. You know it, Jack.
I get a call like, where are you, easy? And try to hit you with the old wafty till I get flashed by the paparazzi. Dang, these niggas got me. I hate these niggas more than Nazi. Oh, I know you love to show off, but I never thought that you would take it this far. What do I know?
Why did his album like massively pop off years later?
I know it's been a while, sweetheart. We hardly talk. I was doing my thing. I know what was found, baby. Hey, babe, lately you've been all on my brain. And if somebody would have told me a month ago, frontin', oh, yo, I wouldn't wanna know. If somebody would have told me a year ago, it'd go get this difficult. Feeling like Katrina with no FEMA.
Feeling like Martin with no Gina.
Like a flight with no visa, first class with the seat back, I still see ya in my pants. You on the other
breaking this
side
side.
of the glass.
Banger on it, absolute fucking banger.
I'm just saying, hey Mona Lisa, come home. You know you can't roll
As
without
I recall, I know you love to show off.
So once the fair value gets inversed, you set a limit on 50% of that fair value gets set TP. Yes, I do. I normally do it off the front face of the fair value, so I normally short off here. But like, for example, like today, I really could have seen. Honestly, I was loving this 50%. We had high volume there in the morning as well. Now we don't, but we had that area for high volume was perfect. So we continue. We've got another 5 minutes. So again, we're gonna confirm, and this will probably be the last 5 minutes. If we end up trading through, we're just continuing above another 5 minutes. We're gonna continue up. London session's a session, boys. If you just trade New York, you're missing out, man. 8 AM EST. I don't know about EST and BST and all that bullshit, but it's 8 AM UK time. I mean, where am I? I'm in. What the fuck is EST as well? Eastern Europe. Oh, it's 9:15 in the morning for you. Wait, yo, Lord, where are you from, bro? Boss UJ, please, for sure, gang. Where are you looking for UJ? Again, I'd say UJ shorts. We've got quite a weak dollar. We're probably going to continue this weak dollar. We took prior day highs, prior week highs. I'll look for shorts if I was you, bro, for UJ. You can thank me later, brother. Would have been a good setup if push within one candle through the gap. Yeah, it would have been. It would have been. Psychology is back in the green and all lovely stuff, bro. Call that lovely EU ALG from this pre-London. Got my 100k challenge back to break eves. Let's fucking go, Josh, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. Time to get back in profit and time to get fucking past, man. Read them phantom comments, mate. That's funny, bro. You little cunt. You feel like a donut now, don't you? Hiya, sweet my brewski. You know the love, man. Sweet. What are we looking for EU buys? I'd say just buy off the 5 minute, but what I'm doing is I'm definitely being crucial. This last 5 minute, if we continue back off of it, then yeah, I'll be real. We gotta look for longs. But there's still potential sells here. Still defo potential sells. I just want to confirm that we're going to continue up in it. I'd love to just confirm 2 5 minutes. Because we came to that, look how we come to the Friday 50. Looked like a lovely reversal move, I weren't. I'm looking at sells and GU, fair play. GU sells are smart. I would allow price to come back to the DTO area before that. Hopefully what we're kind of looking for is high volume from yesterday move. Induce these highs, switch from liquidity, and a push into that area would be tasty for those continuation longs. Pound is quite weak. We just had a dovish cut, dovish hold, sorry. So I would be weaker. I'm looking at sells on GU. Nice, bro. Where are you looking for sells? But that would be my opinion on GU sells. I'll just allow price to come to DTO and a bit. Just come up a little bit more than that. Bro, stop trading. Not a bad idea, bro. I'm going to listen to you. What do you do for work? Okay, still is. What's your full-time job, brother? Dovish, my brother. Hawkish and Dovish like the birds. No, I'm saying Dovish, bro. Like the fucking White Cliffs, broski. I remember my first trading book. I trade, but we are going broke. We? We're not even going to get a 5 minute here. If you trade, put lot size small. Well, I'm going to stop everything I'm doing. Stop everything I'm doing. Let's just all listen to this guy. Yeah, in it. But we are going pro. That's crazy. Man said we, bro. Don't put me in your category. If you put trade, put lot size small. In other words, shall I fucking go put on a swimsuit and go fucking do a dude? So, shall I go kiss a man as well? Why put a small lot size, bro? Why you decreasing your risk? The best way to decrease risk is trade less. Don't get in trades. Don't risk less like a fucking. If you're in gold for sure, yeah. Probably in gold. Yeah, I know you are. You're saying it wrong, broski. We're not getting that move back up for DAX. Again, still wanted to continue those shorts for DAX, but we're not getting that rebalance. So I don't really want to go ahead and try and short it again. Dovish. Dovish is how all the Americans say it. That's what I say like that, innit? So that's how all the Americans say it. I listen to Bloomberg and all fucking American.
I mean, damn, did you even see the test? You got these motherfucker D's.
Shakira, you know, popping.
Any in every class, looking at every ass, cheated on every test. I guess this is my dissertation.
I'm still here, man.
Welcome to graduation. Good morning.
Sell possibly NZD USD. It's a bank holiday. But I'm weak. We're kind of short term, bit weak dollar. NZD USD. Why? What's the reasoning? Where are we at? What's your reasoning, Binary? Even British people, I've never heard dove before. Dovish. Yeah, dovish is just an easier word to say, isn't it? That's why everyone says dovish. But like, bro, it's like bro's read his first trading book. Like, I obviously know that is sort of the background of the point of hawkish and dovish. If that's what you're sort of fixated on, bro, you need to fucking fix that head of yours, bro. Stop reading trading books and actually get into it. Proper pissing it down out there, man. Hit price rejection and squeeze of SMC. Are you not looking at that lower interest rates? Right, 110 on the YouTube live, boys. Boys, if you're on the TikTok, man, fucking get off of here and get on the TikTok. Get on the YouTube. The YouTube's up there, lads. Honestly, boys, I'm not gonna lie. I ain't even just saying this. I'm sure everyone in the chat can fucking pick me up. Me and Lou are probably the best UK-based traders that go live every single fucking day without fail. Every single trading day. Monday through Friday. Doesn't matter. Honestly, bro, if one of my legs falls off, I'll still stream. Right now on stream, I could lose one of my testicles and I will continue the stream until 3 p.m, 3:30 p.m. I mean, Lou jumps on with probably one of the worst haircuts in almost human history. Still jumps on. No self-conscious there, that's insane. That's how you know the fucker earns money. Bro's got hair like Mr. Burns. Still comes on live. Are you more experienced than Lou? Me and Lou got the exact same experience level. Exact same experience level. On the real, bro, I've watched header traders, you the only one keeping it real. Always, man. Always. That's why we live every day. If we were live every day, how the fuck could we be possibly fake, though, innit? Ask that question. If for some reason you think we are, which to be brutally honest, I couldn't give a fuck. I actually couldn't give a shit. But if you think that, just question, why would we live every single day without foul, the exact same time? I mean, just think about that, man. No days off, never, man. Daddy's home. What the what way to introduce yourself back to the live, Joshua? Daddy's home. Yeah, you didn't go quite to as planned for you there, Josh. I'll be real. We had that move up back to that Friday 50. Mace's AI, Louis green screen. Where was it? Nah, bro, ask Richesse. Man said ask Richesse, bro. I think I'm Richesse. What the fuck? You man follow me. I've been trying. Oh, you've been in the lives before. Oh, sweet then, bro. My bad, innit? My bad. Spods. My bad, bro. Bro, if a group full of profitable mentoring students ever thought of starting your own fund, 100%, bro. But the risk of it is insane. So I need to see you boys. I need to get. This is why we want all of you boys to become good traders. Like, we genuinely do. Like, you can see that because one, we give you guys funded accounts every single month. We give away 2 to the boys every month. For anyone in the Discord or anyone in the mentoring or signals, anyone in there. And we make sure you guys get payouts, funded, whatever, all the time, consistently. And you get the same trades that I get in some mornings. Like this EU, for an example. You've got the exact same fucking thing, which is perfect. We all getting it together. It's because I want to at some point, me and Lou want to have a fund. But at the same time, you got to have good fucking traders, boys. That's why, like, it's in my best interest for you guys to be the best. Because if I did have a fund, you man would trade it. You man wouldn't turn that down. It's pretty much like extra funded accounts. But I need the best of the best of the best traders. This is the thing. Prop firms find out who the best traders are by getting you to buy a challenge and failing you and making money from that way. But also, they do try to find profitable traders to trade their fund. That's what FTMO done, still do. I'm sure that's what ACG do because they're big enough now. They would have enough data. They've been going around for fucking a decent amount of years now. Exact same thing we want to do. But we don't do it with challenges. We don't do it with data. Well, we do it with data, but we do it with making the traders actually fucking good. Alright? Because I know you. Like, I'll know you personally. Like, I know you better than just through your trades. I know you personally. I know if you've got a bad head. I know if you lose your shit. I know if you put stop loss to break even. Like, I'm going to swipe down 2-6. Like a fucking gay. That was better. I can actually say that here. Bro, you noob in trading stock, bro. Yeah, trust me. Total fucking noob. Just gonna bring this up quickly. Gonna bring this up. Bro, you noob in trading. Bro, you're a noob in trading, someone just said to me, boys. These are markets I don't trade. We're top 8 in the world in this challenge. We made 31% in 4 trading days. Shorten it with the best fundamental bias. Don't even trade futures. And bro said I'm a noob. I will make love to you, bro. I mean that. Don't even take that as a joke. I will make love to you. And you won't do I can't say that. Jesus, that went too far. But bro, I'd make love to you. What is your biggest profit in one trade? Why would I tell you, you little buffoon? Give me a good reason why I should tell you, then I'll maybe not tell. I'll maybe tell you. Still a very small chance. I'm rage baiting, bro. I'm kidding. Love you. Fuck! Fuck you. I love you too, bro. Would a bad haircut affect my chance of trading for the Richesse fund? Well, as you can probably see, one of our best traders, Louis Stevens, has one of the worst haircuts in history. So honestly, it don't matter, bro. You can have you can be bald, you can be receding, you could look like R9 when he was an unreal baller. You could have the haircut of Carlos Tevez when he was like 4 years of age. I don't care, man. As long as you can fucking trade. And you like tear asses. Two things. You need to trade and you need to like tear asses. They're your two things. Okay? None of the marching powder, just tear asses. Tear asses and trading. That's what you need to be good at. That's what you need to do, man. Are you in the GU short, Mace? No, I'm not in GU short. I'm still waiting for GU to come up, and EU, I mean, boys, what can we even trade here? New York isn't looking the tastiest. But again, we're just seeing if price wants to move down, but it's fucking pissing around. This is the 5 minute. We've not really done much in the last like hour of price action. What other pairs can we look at, boys? Dax has continued down, nothing on Dax. Gold's not doing much, Silver's not doing much. UJ's one directional. Like I said, we kind of do what buys UJ. We could have this trade from here. Yeah, Rick, it's not moving the best, bro. It's not moving the best, man. EJ Shorts, 1 hour IFEG. Alright, nice. Oh, we're already TP'd. We're already out of the EJ. I'm alongside EJ on the 5 minute IFEG, the breaker block. What do you think? Can you check? I like EJ longs. I like it. The ECB are hawkish on their rates. They're very hawkish on their rates. Got your full view on the TV now. Mrs. is fuming. Bro, you need to connect some headphones to your TV right fucking now. To be fair, I'm on TikTok, so I can't say anything weird or crazy. I've done nothing but watch constant Richesse today. That's what you need, bro. Constant Richesse is all you need to become rich. That sounds scammy and scum, but it's low-key true, lads. I'll be so honest with you. It's fucking true. I've done nothing. Oh, really the same thing. Did you or DXY trade play out, buddy? First of all, you can't trade DXY as an index, so no. But if we talk about the EU trade, then yeah. From this morning, how much is your ACG discount? I actually can't even remember, bro. Oh mate, I don't even remember. Boys, how much does the discount get you? The Richesse code give you? I actually can't remember. 15%, that's it. 15%. Okay, well, we don't actually have a 5 minute there, so I don't know why I'm marking it out. Again, we can still close below this, by the way. If we close below this, then we could definitely continue those shorts. Mace, VND SGX looks good for a long. Fucking hell, what are we trading here? What is VND SGX? Vietnamese dong. And the what? SGX is Singaporean what? Doesn't look too bad. Looks like it is actually fucking hell. So one of these charts you actually do need to get. Well, you kind of need like Hakashi's candles or some shit. Hey Kanashi, that's it. No, okay. There you go. I would say. Wait, boys, let's actually long this. This actually looks better than EU right now. It's a long. Wait, bro, why does it actually look nice to long? Why was you not joking? With a big old
chains, ride around town in a big old range. I knew when I ride big old chains, not a little nigga doing big old things. Would you look at that? I came back for
Bro, I've got up. What the fuck is that?
minute thing in them chains too fat for it. Rebound, so I caught off the backboard. I told her, baby girl, come here.
Do I feel like the demand is like supply high? 13 and 0. Can anyone find a fucking broker who can place this on? I would place this. That trade through looks perfect. What is their Singaporean? Don't they have the dollar? Singaporean dollar, isn't it? Yeah. Why is it SGX in? Let's bear with it. Full bought now. Okay, fucking hell. I've still got these high connections. EG still going to continue up. I reckon EG buyers are nice, actually. If you can get in. Obviously, I'd love to see with the Pride 50. The song tears me apart. Why? What do you mean tears you apart? Fucking hell, that sounds actually quite concerning, actually, Judy. Jesus Christ. Mate, did you put a limit on that fair value gap on EU this morning? Yeah, I did. This is my trade this morning. Wait, I'm gonna show the YouTube stream where you traded EU and GU, bro. Just gonna show the YouTube stream the MT5. I had today's EU on. And then you see those two trades on this MT? They're the two trades that's on the chart right now. Well, the last two trades. It's a pretty shitty New York session. Can someone tell me how stop loss and take profit works? I'll just put this here. I can, bro. So essentially what a stop loss is just, let's say you've got a trade, right? You've got a trade. Let's just say we've got candles. Let's just go to blank chart. Okay, fucking hell. Maybe let's get an SVP off. Fucking hell. Let's go back in time. Let's take a trip down memory lane, right? Let's just say, for an example, I don't know where price is going. Doesn't matter. Let's just say, for an example, I'm looking to buy in this market, right? I'm looking to buy here. Where my stop loss will be essentially where I think price is going to essentially invalidate my setup. So say if I'm looking for a buy, I've obviously got my setup. Maybe it's moved into sort of an area of demand there, and we've sort of had this mover off, traded through this 5, which you didn't do, fuck. But now I'm looking to buy now, right? So I've got my setup, I'm looking to buy. What a stop loss is essentially, let's say entries here, is where you think price is going to break your setup. So if you think this low, if it gets broken, that is going to invalidate your setup and say that your setup is wrong, then that will want to be your stop loss. And when price hits that, your trade will get taken out for you automatically. You don't have to worry. TP, let's say my TP's here, it's the exact same thing, but for the opposite. So let's just say if your trade worked out, where should price get to for your trade to play out? So what would you aim for? What are you aiming? Are you aiming for the external high? If that's here, and that's where you want to get out, that'll be your TP. You set your TP, set your stop loss, enter your trade there. You can walk away. Your trade will either TP or stop loss, or obviously either still be in the trade fucking around. But it's like it's a limit of price that will essentially, if it's a TP, it will buy against your trade. If it's a stop loss, then it will take you out of the market. Look at DXY. What's DXY doing? Fuck all. What's this low? The CRT. Oh wow, really, mate? I was looking at DXY in about fucking 3 months in the past. Oh, this is great, PA.
tell the difference.
I'm pretty sure that bro should explain it better in 2 minutes, the whole 30-minute thing. Yeah. The thing is, it's important as well, and a lot of people actually don't understand with stop loss and TP, especially with stop loss. They just think it's a level that it should take. I think people need to realise the proper way to use a stop loss and a TP. A stop loss is at a level that will invalidate your setup, right? So, for an example, my trade today with EU. So I look for the Asian liquidity grab. And then also what I wait after we grab this previous high is I'll wait for a trade through of this fair value gap, which we done, right? We did that. We closed the candle here, cool. So I put my limit on here. And now I'm saying price shouldn't come up again. It should now come to the Asia low, which is where I've got my TP. That's why my TP is on the Asia low, because that's where I'm expecting for price to go. And then, wow, really got rid of my indicator. Brilliant. And then with my stop loss, like I said, we had the trade through, which shows me that price on the 5 minute is now weak and now bearish and favouring the sells. I'm assuming price isn't coming above this high. So my stop loss will be on that high. Because if we surpass that high, then I was wrong. Then my trade is invalid. For an example, if I'm going for an Asia, and an example what other people would use, they'll go, okay, I want to be safer. I want to have my stop loss on the prior day 50. Okay, let's go to that. But then it doesn't make sense, right? Because you're going for the Asia liquidity sweep. If you're assuming prices breaking lows and now breaking structure and continuing down, why would you think price is going to come to... It could take this high. Because if it takes this high, it is for sure going to continue up, definitely. So it's about having the stop loss in the right place. And again, it's not always about having a safe stop or a really tight stop. It's one that actually makes sense for your setup. And if it doesn't, change it. And don't always try to go for big, high RRs where you get the most amount of profits, but you're in the trade for fucking donkeys. And you're not getting stop loss 3 weeks later. And it was the only trade you had in 3 weeks. You feel like you wasted so much time when you did. Stop loss and TP placement is crucial. They want to see me fall. So stop loss is basically what stops you. Exactly that. Exactly that. So whatever you risk on your trade, your stop loss will take you out at that level. So for an example, for me, is did you hit BE on Schultz, lads? Piss take. Wait, did I hit BE? Bro, you know, like, you man must know me now. Bro, I would rather, I'll say this live to all you man, I'd rather kiss a man than put my trade break even, bro. I swear to gang. I would rather kiss a dude. Ain't no way I'm putting stop loss break even. I swear to God. If I do, and I ever do it on live, again, like I said, I've told Lou to give all of you, man, it's not just you, man, on TikTok, the 110, 120 people that we've got on YouTube, to give out my home address and invite people to come around my house in the middle of the night and beat the living fuck out of me. I swear to God. I will never put stop loss break even. Hope that cleared it up, bro.
I feel like a free slave, you know, I feel like I've been targeted by certain people just being out in the streets.
Gotta be rage baiting you, how ask if you gotta be hit it. You guys know me, man. Did you go break even, Musa? I feel like you did. I can't tell if he's still here. I would leave after someone said that, to be fair. Do you have a YouTube live? Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now, boys. This is where the main community's at. This is the YouTube handle, lads. Where's my other phone? Let me get my phone.
Teacher always used to tell me you gon' lose, nigga. That's why I never went to school, nigga. And why I'm rapping like I got something to prove, nigga. When it bought the mansion with the Billy with the stab, I get into with it. Move with it, cause these
This is it, boys. This is 942 flows, Meat Mills. Old little bang, this one. This is the YouTube, boys. Richesse effects. Go sub to it. Boy, we hit 311k in the last month. Big views, boys. Channel's growing nicely. We've got one of the best fucking UK communities for trading. Not even UK. Everyone's from fucking everywhere, man. But yeah, we've got Lou, who also goes live for London session as well. What's wrong with stop loss to BE? Could you explain your POV? Humbling, asking as I am and new in the mentorship. Stop loss to break even is a fearful move. It's literally, it's like in a fight, right? It's the exact same as in a fight. You go into the fight, you think, you know what, we're going to have this fight, we're going to have it. We're going to fucking have it. That's you placing your trade, right? That's you placing the trade, right? And then you go to, and then you get in the fight, realise they're quite good, and you probably, it's going to be a hard fight, yeah? It's going to be an hard one. And you essentially run away. That is essentially it. That's you running away. Putting stop loss to break even is like you running away. Not running away, but like backing off a bit, not really fighting, being a bitch, being a pussy. Like probably would go home later on and make love to another guy. Like that's just kind of the shit you would do. But it's literally just a fear thing. You never, ever, 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 and if you do, fuck you. But if you say, oh, in this trade, I'm going to place a trade there, but when it gets to this level, I'm going to put stop loss break even. If you say that, you need to grow up, man. As a serious adult, you need to grow the fuck up. Don't do that. Stop doing that. You limit your winners. You don't understand your losses, so you don't actually fucking learn anything. Stop loss to break even is the one, maybe one of the reasons why you're not getting better at trading, not understanding the markets better, or understanding your strategy better, because you never have conclusive data if you always put stop loss break even, or if you do it every other trade or one trade a week even. You're not going to have good conclusive data. You either need to lose or win and understand where you're wrong or understand where you're right. That is it. Stop loss break even is probably arguably one of the most... Mace's worst nightmare would be someone typing him up and moving his hands to BE. Oh my days. Bro, that would be the only, maybe the only thing that would make me talk, innit? Like, the only thing that would make me talk. If someone was like, if someone did tie me up and like force me to put a trade break even, man, I'd cry. Oh, I would cry. Oh, I would cry. Like if my son, right, I probably won't teach my son trading because fuck him. What the fuck am I on about? If I had a youth, I probably would teach him trading, but let's be honest, kids are fucking idiots, man. They're fucking stupid. So maybe wait a little bit, because I had to grow up. I had to fucking grow up. I was a little knobhead when I was fucking 14, 15, anything below that. Wait till he's 16, let him be a fucking weirdo, and then lock him in with trading. But I swear to God, if he goes stop loss to break even, it's literally pretty much, I would say, genuinely, it'd be the same level as him coming out as homo. Swear to God, it would be. 1,000,000%. Nothing worse. Literally like your son coming out gay. Salt on EU. EU, have you done anything? No, he's still not traded through. Fucking hell, really? Is this going to be our New York sesh? Do you show your entries in YouTube? Yes, if we have any, bro. If we have any, but we're trying to wait for something. But I do the Boys, I'm going to say this now. I haven't said this for the live yet. But I still want to say this because we are giving away 2 25k accounts tomorrow. We're giving away 2 25k accounts tomorrow, right? I'm going to say this before I potentially get taken off TikTok for what I just said. Not gonna lie. Yep, Sam thinks it as well. But we're giving away 2 25k funded accounts in the Discord tomorrow at 1:30 PM. I'll be live on the YouTube at 12:30 like I always am. I'm not leaving yet. I'm still going to be on this stream for another 45 minutes. But you on TikTok, mates, be careful. Gonna have a... yeah, bro. that would be weird. How do I join the Discord? It should just... It's annoying because I don't have the link on my TikTok. But boys, if you go to my Instagram, right, the quickest way you'll probably just go to my Instagram. Everyone go to my Instagram. This is mine and Lou's Instagram, RichesseFX. Drop us a message giveaway. Drop a message giveaway. We're giving away 2 25k accounts. These accounts are probably worth about 150 odd quid. We do this every single month, by the way. Not just this month, not just the next 2 months, not just the next 3. Every single fucking month. We've been doing it for the last 6-7 months. And the reason why is because it's our main aim to get every single one in the community funded. That is our main aim. So boys, drop me a message on Instagram now. Giveaway. I'll send you the Discord link. I mean, it is in my bio, but I can just send you the... I mean, it is literally in there. But I'll send you the link. I'll send you... What you have to do is get entered. And I'll send you the time of doing everything you need to know. You guys on YouTube, you man should know the YouTube. You man should know the Instagram by now. Bro, why's my phone always nearly dead? Like, how do I even... Why did that flash? Bro, that's spooky. But yeah, that's Instagram. See me fall. Why are you so nice, Mace? 50% of the time, man. 50%. I'll be honest, bro. I've had the best trading week I've had in a decent handful of time. I've milked EU, nearly past the fucking 200k phase 1. I'm top fucking 8 in the world right now for fucking futures that I don't even trade the markets. I've had such a good trading week this week. Mace, why don't you have a Mac if you're on iOS? PC is scum. Why don't you have a Mac if you're on iOS? PC is scum. Bro, PC is fucking sick. What's the most simplex way to learn trading for an ex-stoner with a brain burnt like toast? Bro, I'll be honest with you, I smoked loud since I was maybe 14 and I still actively smoke it right now, bro. So, I'll be honest, our way probably be the best way, bro. Mates, how many numbers do you know? Mates, how many numbers do I know? At least 100. At least. At bare minimum 100. Bro, how can you think iOS is better than fucking like Windows? Bro, there's no way in a million years iOS is better than Windows. No way. No way. We're getting this trade through. Let's go. Finally got the trade through. Why? Now we can look for some trades, boys. There's no way bro said Mac is better. Yeah, that's crazy work, man. That's like saying, that's crazy work. You're such a nice guy, mate, so I appreciate you, bro. I'm a fucking guy. Should we sleep together? Take me out on a date, bro. Way better, yeah. Josh, you like dudes. Bro, you're the type of guys that stop loss break even, man. MacBook overpriced. You're lying for the live. Bro, I put my fucking hand through my last Mac. The last Mac I had a hole in it. I both prefer Windows. I prefer Windows all day long. Mason, if you're saying that's why you don't have a Samsung. I don't have a Samsung because that's just weird, innit? That's just fucking... Like, socially, that's just weird. But I can accept that Windows is way better than Mac. Mac is shite for trading software. Mac's shit for most softwares. I'll be so honest. Phones, Apple's better. iOS is better. But PCs and that, man, I've had both. I've had a MacBook. I've had a laptop, like a Windows Edge laptop. Lol. I've had a PC. And yeah, Windows all day long. If I'm being so honest. Mac for social media influences. Yeah, low key. I feel like the last MacBook. I would rather I'd rather the PC version of it. Isn't there a PC Mac? What's that called? Big Mac. Wow. Big Mac. What's it actually called? Bro, they should have called it the Big Mac. Yeah, they actually should have called it that. What's it actually... Wow. If I type into Google B with a capital B, it comes up with two things. It comes up with butt plug. I fuck you not. Comes up with butt plug and big goth bitch. That just shows the type of lives we have. Now imagine if imagine one of my family members comes in my room, yeah, and goes, "Oh mate, can I just search something up on your PC?" Yeah, starts with B. Instantly, butt plug, big goth bitch, Bloomberg. Yeah, okay, it gets alright at the end. B quant desktop, but butt plug and big goth bitch, bro. That's crazy, man. She gotta start deleting history. Bro, these lives have got my history going crazy. Your algo is fucked, bro. Your algo is fucked. What? Wait, what's fucked? Microsoft Edge. Oh, yes. Oh, sorry, I was not focusing. Sorry, I was fucking around, motherfuckers. It's the fucking horrible Your Google search algo. Oh yeah, my Google search algo is weird, bro. Bare weird shit. Like let me look at my this could be dangerous, but let's look at my history. Let's look at my history. How'd you look at history? I'm not gonna show this just in case. Mick Mills, most of it is YouTube videos. Alexander Swan, Wheel of Names, yep, Vincent Company, Exosuit. We have the weirdest conversations, bro. Butt plug, Swiss Army knife, butt plug, Huntsman knife, big goth bitch, New York jazz, young boy, Lil Baby, young boy, X, bottle paper. How much is a Bloomberg terminal? PSG women's team. Chloe Kelly. This is when we went on a little bit of a women with skin fade. Okay, it was that phase. Megan Rapinoe, Chelsea Arsenal. How long's the government shut down? That's when I was putting the bets on in that poly market. Jay-Z, Flo Rida. Okay, that's just all YouTube. This is all fucking YouTube. Mate, we listen to so much YouTube, me and Lou. Like songs and shit. Fucking hell. There's emails. Sierra Cosworth. Who's Sierra Cosworth? That's a car. Why does that better sound like a woman's name? Why does she sound kind of fit as well? Anyway. Are you getting in that EU short, mates? I'll be real, bro. I'm not getting in this. No, what? Fuck it. We're getting in this. Didn't say me much conviction. Where's my phone's in here? Would you rather West Ham win the league or romantic weekend in Venice with David Moyes? Oh, that's a fucking bare hard one, actually. Would you rather West Ham win the league or a romantic weekend in Venice with David Moyes? That's fucking hard, bro. That is hard. I would have to take the romantic weekend in Venice, really. I mean, Venice is beautiful and the company must be absolutely extravagant as well, so... Yeah, you know, I'm taking the David Moyes weekend in Venice. That would probably be really cool. Probably like bear play ticky. It'd be like a dad to me sort of thing. Actually, no, it's romantic. Okay, that turned very ancestral very quick. I completely forgot about the romantic part. Bro, I'm in shorts from the top now. I'm seeing you live and that you want a short as well, so I'm a close. Wait, what? Yo, bro, what? What do you even mean, brother? There is news in 5 minutes, so I would be careful. News at 3, yeah, there's news at 3. Full port the news. Okay, fine. Don't take me much conviction. Conviction, not the right word. Convincing. Convincing. Conviction. It's not a word, mate. It's not a word. What is this jolt forecasted? Well, we can't really get in it on ECG, really. Lazy money is useless money, facts. Full port news. Does anyone know what we're expecting for the, for it? What is? It shouldn't be delayed again because we're at the government shutdown. Lazy money is useless money. That is a quote and a half, Josh, bro. That's a quote and a half. Women with skin fade. You can't tell me. Right, listen. Again, I'm going to say this again. I don't know what it is, but it's something about New York jazz that I promise you would literally allow you to fucking... Would let you fucking... Like, you'd fuck any woman to this. Even like a fat, obese, sort of hard to breathe sort of one. Like, you'd still be able... Now tell me you still wouldn't fuck a fat one to this. Again, I don't know what it is, but I just feel like that's the first thing I'd want to do. $725 million forecast. Yeah, but is it forecasted to go up or down? I would set the stop loss higher. Stop loss higher, then it invalidates this trade, bro. So I'd rather stop me out than just be more in drawdown. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Hard to breathe. You know them bitches? I think that's just called diabetes, but I'm pretty sure that is what diabetes is. Or is it asthma? Air nerve turd. Yeah, type shit. Type shit. Something Noosh would say, yeah, trust. Yeah, actually fair, isn't it? That is so true. Jumping in at EU, maybe not, because we do have this news in our ACG. I don't think we can't place a trade right now because we've got news in 5 apparently. Forecast to go up, so that's actually good for the dollar. So it's actually good for shorts. But then I'm pretty sure we can't place this though. I don't think ACG will allow us. Previous was 7.15, forecast 7.25. Yeah, so an increase. Yeah, that should be weak for EU. Too late, we're close to news, we'll get bummed by rules. Yeah, exactly. We're too late. Which is a shame really, because... Yeah, which is a shame really, because like this candle here, 10 minutes away. Yeah, 10 minutes away. If this candle traded up to entry, it would have been alright, but now it's just not. It didn't come to entry, and now it's not alright. So we're kind of going to have to wait for it. Do it after minor, exactly. We should be able to just continue the trend down anyways, if we do have this original move that we're expecting. The continuation down makes sense, so we can just still go. We can still get the shorts anyway. How long after news can you place a trade? 5 minutes, bro. Oh, is it 4 minutes? I thought it was 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after. But then also, like, you would also find, like, be sort of almost obliged to also fuck an older lady with this tune in the background. So you can go fat, you can go old, do you know what I mean? You can sort of vary arrangements with females with New York jazz. I feel like, well, I feel like I'm fucking literally just loaded into a Shadows of Evil game, not gonna lie, but this music is fucking bare nice. I actually, all jokes aside, I actually genuinely do rate it. Do feel like I am gonna have to fucking hold off a Sword of Zombies though. This is hard. Oh, it's a shame we couldn't really get back up to that DTI. It's really what we wanted as well. Dax is just... Guys, come back up a little bit more. Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely. Are we shorting again? Are we shorting again? I might wait to rebalance a bit more. Oh, actually, no. We actually come to a really nice area. I'm going to set a sell limit. End of the trade for me, or? Bro, these man patching me or some shit. Yo, bro. What the fuck was that about, bro? These man just bare trying to patch me or something. That's crazy work from these man. Check your USD again. How did it come out, boys? How did it come out? Oh, we come up back. Oh, that's not. Oh, thank God we didn't get in. I'm gonna lie. Oh, is that just gonna set off now? I'm going to keep that limit on. We might sell off now. Hopefully we come back up. But to be fair, they come out really weak for the dollar. So EU should move up. So it's actually good that we didn't get in. Let's just make sure we saved ourselves. 1, 2, 3 in the YouTube. Fucking let's go, boys. Boys, if you're not in the YouTube, go drop a sub on there. Go drop a sub on there, man. This is our main streaming platform. I know you guys like TikTok and like all these scrolly fucking brain rotty apps, but get on YouTube so you get rid of all that brain rot bullshit and fucking swiping up and down and what do they call it? Death scrolling or some shit. Demon scrolling. What do they call it? Death scrolling. Demon scrolling. What do they call? What the fuck do they call it, bro? Doom scrolling. That's it. The doom scrolling. But if they are, if you see yourself being a doom scroller, boys, delete TikTok and just have YouTube. I'll be honest. That's one of the things I did. I mean, I've been growing an Instagram and shit like that for a bit, but I don't have my personal Instagram on my phone anymore. I've only got it on my old phone, which I only go on for my business banking and personal banking. This is my banking phone, which has all my banking on. Right, probably should be telling you this. Probably should not be telling you this, but I use one phone for that. It doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't leave anywhere. Is the music bare loud? Mate, that's fucking pattern for you, man. It's New York jazz. You man, I'd want to hear that 10 times as loud. What else was I gonna say? And yeah, I've got like social medias in this phone, but my main phone I use all the time. I don't have any of that stuff on it. Because doom scrolling's especially when you're trying to learn to trading, you're just gonna see a lot of bullshit as well. Never downloaded TikTok for that reason. Good man. You can obviously doom scroll on YouTube, but none of it's brain rot. Even if you do, it's not even brain rot. Song name. You put me on the spot here. It's called Summertime, I think. Honestly, mate, I'll be honest, bro. I'm not even listening to a specific song. It's just New York jazz saxophone, instrumental music, jazz standard. I mean, there's no need to say jazz 3 times. Like, fucking hell, I'm sure YouTube know that it's jazz. Are you in that? I'm not in this, bro. We had news about 5 minutes ago. ACG I would have broken ACG rule if I placed this. Sounds like I'm stuck in an elevator. What about Midnight Chicago Blues? Let's put this fucking shit on. Let's put country. See, this is what you could fuck a fat one to. Country music. Let's put some country music on. Yeah! That is what I'm on about, man. It's how you tell I'm Caucasian as fuck. Waiting room music type shit. Why sure that though? Could you explain? Muffin, you've been in all these lives, and you're asking me why I'm selling to you. I'll be real. The news sort of come out slightly bullish for the dollar, so I've got a feeling. I thought it was this tune. Yes, sir. Let's fucking go. This is a 3-hour stream of this shit. Yeah. But I've been shorting at you this whole week, bro. I've been shorting at you this whole week. This was my trade this morning. This was my EU short this morning. The move is actually really nice on this. But yeah, ACG, don't want any place. How come on Forex Money doesn't show NFP tomorrow? I don't think NFP's happening. I know we're back to the shutdown, but I don't think it's happening tomorrow. Ooh, I don't think I've actually ever heard this song. Like, actually heard it, like non-jokingly heard it. First time for everything. Check the news. I think it would say it would stay away from listening to a clip show. It should stay away from listening to a clip. Definitely, bro. I kind of agree. I'm not actually in this trade. EU cooking. This EU is cooking though, nonetheless.
Yeehaw, boy! Howdy, y'all. What a song, motherfuckers. And the news not bad for the dollars. It's worse than forecasted.
It is worse for the dollar, which should really push EU up. Bro, I swear to God, if another like Indian guy invites me to a live, I'm gonna fucking I'm gonna do one of them, man. I'm doing one of them. W song is a banger. Miss GU short by 0.1 pip at 11:15, 5-minute IFEG. I feel like only re-entries you would really want is when you actually get shown the clear direction. Because it should really be dollar bullish after that news, I'll be honest. But we need to actually confirm it's 5 minutes. We've not traded below. It's not 2 minute. We'll just monitor this. It's still moving quite nice though. I'd say definitely be careful. That news was weak dollar. Can't help falling in love with you. Next song, yeah. What even tune is that? That's going on though. Oh, Elvis Presley. What a banger. Oh, you know Elvis Presley's still alive? I bet there's like 10% of you man that actually believe that. You're a fucking idiot. Okay, I don't think we're coming back to entry on those sales and backs. What a fucking banger, man. I'm jumping off stream in 20 minutes, boys. Feel free to ask me any fucking questions, man. Furthermore, there's any fucking fat ones in here. As soon as I say that about 3 birds, you sure it's crazy. I reckon that'll WeTap. It will definitely come back up on WeTap back to entry at least. Just finished, thanks for the stream. Just finished, thanks for the stream. What? What, Sam? Sam, what do you mean by that, mate? How would you rate your mental game at trading? Unfucking matched. Completely unmatched. Jump in the ring? No, definitely not. Definitely not. I honestly think this will continue up and take the stop loss in this. It only makes sense off that news. I won't bother entering a re-entry in it. With everything we got today, it definitely looks like we're going to have a flipping price. Sorry, what, man? Tell you what, it's really good with the previous day volume. Really nice with the previous day volume. Oh, this is a fucking show. I feel like it has to take the daily lows, but what we've got today is just not telling me we're really going to get what we want. Thanks, mate. There you buyers now. Lovely stuff, bro. Hope it goes well, Don. Mate, can you go over how you'd approach the markets using FRVP from the higher time frames to lower time frames? Wait, FRVP? What's FRVP? The fixed range. Oh, okay, the fixed range. From the high time to lower time frame, bro. Honestly, just range to range. I mainly use mine on the 4. Range to range. 15-minute range to range. The best thing I would say is you honestly need to wake up in the morning, catch Asia session. Asia session's here, right? Catch Asia session here. And then what makes sense? What is price gonna trade into? If it's gonna be trading into this leg here, which it obviously looks like it is and did, then we want to be monitoring this area for the OTE. Or for the fixed range, really. Where's our volume? But I use the SV, I use the session. Why am I not getting any volume? I'm not getting any volume. But I use the session range. This one is way better. Our high volume areas we can see is from this low to this high. So anywhere in this area, we pretty much really want to be selling, which is great. Highest volume is here, so you know it's going to be in sort of the top end we want to see price come to. We had that, and then we moved down. I'll be real, I think the sessions is just way better for the private, because I love using the previous day. Previous day for me is fucking unstoppable. But look in the morning, and we'd normally have a distro through PM, and then wherever that direction went, we'll just continue that on. But just we want to see price come into a level of price that is acceptable to move up of, or even just, well, I mean, you don't need to look for price come to a level and then trade. You go to the level, confirm it's coming off of it, confirm the lower time frame when it's done that, then you can look for the trade throughs. If you're in this though, I hope it does go well for you. I hope it does. What do you say about silver right now? It's just going to really consolidate, the same as gold. We're just really going to sit. Yeah. Should see commodities just sit. Precious metals just sit. We're in a big ranging market right now. We're going to see the dollar sort of favoured the market as a safe haven this week, which is why we've been short in EU. Why are we counter trend trading in the EU? What time frame? What time frame are we counter trending on? The higher or the lower? News today ruined sales. Yeah, well, for New York session it did. London session the sales were fine if you trade Asian liquidity grab. These were the sales you could have got in on. We got an Apex Siggy. What is it? What is it? What is it? Is it a show? It is. Let's hope it goes well then. Oh, it's pretty much this trade on the screen. At least Apex is in it. Are you the USD buy? Yeah. Yeah. Short term for the rest of the day, maybe. Tomorrow, I'd say maybe not. The market is risk off, so I just would favour the dollar over the Aussie dollar. Was it 166? This is Apex's. We'll see how it goes. If I'm not in it, at least someone's in it in the SIGs. It's great, but I would not re-enter that, especially after the day we've already had. You walk away with those pros, lads. How's the DAX doing? DAX is sort of continue down still. I'd love to see it come back up. The thing is, I don't want to be in the trade at this time for DAX. You start losing volume at 3:30, so no more trades on DAX today. I think I'm still up about... How much percent are we up for DAX today? We're up 10% today on DAX, 9.9% on DAX today. Are we still sitting high on the leaderboard? I hope we are. Okay, well, am I on this leaderboard? Okay, we're still 8th. Bro, that doesn't even make any sense. Doesn't even make any sense. Bro, we got updated before, and now it's been re-updated to older profits. I hope that's not what it is, but we're currently 8th. We're 31% up for the week. Mate, look how weird that is, look. This doesn't even make any sense. I'm on the leaderboard twice, I'm 8th and 19th. Fuck. This gold or another, guys. This isn't gold, this is DAX we was just looking at there, brother. So let's leave it off. Just had fucking 2 on them. Let's see how it goes. It's still not really moving, which kind of makes it even more scarier. Yeah, it's just consolidating on the 1 minute. It's not really moving. But 10% day for DAX and 3% day from EU. That is fucking perfect enough. We'll take that. Boys, I'm going to say it again. Giving away 2 50k accounts tomorrow. Or 2 25k accounts, sorry. You're in the CU trade. I'm not in the CU trade. It's in our signals group though, bro. Was 9% down beginning of the week, now only 2%. Nice, bro. Lovely stuff, Samuel. Lovely stuff. What trades you been jumping in, man? What trades you been jumping in? Very fast sending is going to happen. We will see, brother. Preferably. Is anyone in this from the Siggies? What's EA use on ACG? You can use it, bro. You just got to say before you buy that you're going to use it. I think you have to pay a little bit more as well. You use shorts every day. Come on, bro. You know the move, mate. You're on the right side, my boy. You're on the right side. Best way to get rich is Zoinbase. Fucking hell. Is it? Do you mean Coinbase? I was trading gold before, it was way too volatile. Yeah, gold's way too volatile, bro. I haven't traded gold in years. Plays a few trades here and now on just some challenges, but in terms of actually trading on live fundeds, I haven't traded it in years. Ages. This is a little banger. Do you know what's... Oh, this is such a tune. Would you say you earn any less or more on either or? What do you mean, sorry, Dylan? What do you mean, sorry, bro? That just below us. Yeah, just below us, yeah. Again, we've not traded through any 2 minute. Still not traded through a 2 minute yet. No, 5. Still selling even with GU where it is. Still selling even with GU where it is. What do you mean, bro? I mean, it doesn't really change the fact that you use where it is, bro. So if you're trading gold or euro, what would you say you earn more on? I don't trade gold, bro. That's what I was saying. I don't trade gold. I don't trade gold. I just trade EUG, UEG. Oh, it's melting. For the sake of the Siggies, let's hope this fucking TPs. What is it, 1 to 3 as well? What the fuck, what's he aiming for? On the ages, bro. You pants. EUG, bro. Yeah. It's moving nice, bro. Again, who's in it from the 6? Nice, John. I've loved that, bro. So is euro less volatile compared to gold? Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. Currencies just are less volatile than commodities. But also, you do need to acknowledge gold pips are different to forex pips. Commodity pips are different. Like a very different size. We're cooking on the EU here. Go, Vish. On this funded account, I need like 2%, so I didn't really want to risk this trade on it, especially a trade where I have to re-enter back on entry. But let's fucking go, Vish, if you get this. This is in the Siggies as well, boys. Again, 50% off for the Siggies right now, and you get put into the giveaways every single month, man. Right. This has got to be the most positive song ever, innit? Facts. Bro, this has got to be one of the best songs ever, bro. Like, from my childhood, this has got to be probably the best one, innit? When I was like, you. Oh, nice, Fish. How much percent do you need, Vish, to get it past? Love this on Cars movie, trust me, man. That was sick. That was a banger. This one's a banger as well from Curious George. Nice. 2R. You're just going to take out a 2R then?
What's impossible, they forgot. This world keeps spinning and with each new day, I can feel a change in everything. And as the surface breaks, reflections fade.
Moving nicely.
Some ways
Boys, I'm going to jump off at half past in about 3 minutes. Okay, if you want to get in that giveaway, boys, get in the Discord, man. If you don't know how to get in the Discord, drop me a message. This is our Instagram, boys. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, Apex got a bit more of a riskier start. By the way, boys, we're live every single day for 3 hours of London session, 3 hours of New York session, every single weekday. Trading Forex, trading futures, trading JPY, Euro, Dollar, all the main pairs, all the majors, a few different markets if you need. Follow the fucking boys, man. Mate, is trading boring for you? Kind of, bro. Trading is boring, really. It kind of is boring. But that's why the community makes it so much better, man. It would be way, way worse if I didn't have a community. So that's why I'm happy I did build one. And we've got a load of good people around us now. So it's great. Is the mentorship and just strategy and access to pre-London, no signals? Yeah. But like this morning, for example, like in the mentoring, we was all looking at this on live, and I placed this trade on live in the pre-London stream, and we all hit TP together. Some people didn't get entered, some people did. But I just traded it live in the pre-London. Boys, mentorship and signals, both 50% off. And you get put into the giveaway tomorrow as well. Go on, E. Oh my days, he was running, bro. He was running. When it gets boring, that's why you're profitable. Yeah. No. But it's very true. When it does get boring, you know it is. Embrace the boredom. No, that's it, bro. I'm off. Sweet mates, take care. Sweet, my boy. Is this Ethereum? If this is ever Ethereum, Max, fucking brutally just... Oh, I can't say much in it. Just beat me up in it. No, it's not. This is Euro USD, bro. It's a banger as well. But boys, I'm going to jump off now. This EU's running fucking unbelievably. Yeah, last day is tomorrow as well. So if you want to get in the mentorship, 50% off. Understand exactly how we trade. And again, boys, I am currently right now as you speak, like top 8 in this Euro X challenge. In the Leap challenge on Trading View. Oh, we're 9th. We're 9th now. We're still on the top 10 list though. Top 10 out of 50,000 people. We're doing fucking unreal in this. Plus this week, we've smashed this week. We've nearly got a 200k pass. We've been short in EU this whole week. Short in DAX this whole week. We fucking killed it. It's probably been my best week in good number of months. Good number of months, man. Just closed the trade. Nice, bro. Nice. Just closed what? EU. Nice. Right, boys. I love you all, man. I'm about to cut out. TikTok, love you all, man. Take care of yourself. You know the love. Everybody, the fuck? Right, YouTube, you know the love, my people, the real family, the real fucking FM, the real Richesse dudes, the real killers, the real shotters, the real dealers, the real meth doers, the real fucking killers. Boys, I'll catch you boys tomorrow. Funded account giveaways, lads. Funded account giveaways. I love this. It's my favourite time of the fucking month, man. My favourite time, other than the time when my girlfriend has a period. Other than that, this is definitely it. Man, I love you all. I'll see you boys tomorrow. 50% off the mentor and 50% off the signals, bro. Get you into one of the best mentorships in the UK. Help you understand how to trade a London session profitably. Make money from it. Not get molested by it, but make money from it every single fucking month. Month in, month out. So your dick and balls look like they need a bit of help, sort of thing. Boys, I'll see you man tomorrow. Take care and don't do care. Do weed. Do weed, not care. Do weed, not care. That's my movement. I love you all, man.